Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Trader Shop with your host, T Hobbs, right over there. Woo, got it right. And me, Jay Seals. All right. Yeah, because if y'all did, funny story about that. Every single day, Hobbs pretty much gets it wrong. Yeah, he pretty much always gets it wrong. And
that guy over there, I still can't do it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's the opposite. It's always whatever way you think it is, it's not that.
Yeah, whatever way your brain, it's kind of like trading. Like whatever way you think price is gonna go, just play the opposite. It'll be fine.
Facts. But I hope you guys stayed safe yesterday in the markets because there was nothing but consolidation station. I hope y'all stayed safe last night because there was nothing but consolidation station, which means you could have won on the longs or the shorts, but you just couldn't ask for too much. Even though I think the market provided what'd you say, 70 points up and down last night. So I mean, provided
like a 70-point range or something.
It provided a good enough, amount. But anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna jump into my pre-market plan for ES, and then Hobbs can do his NQ thing. Of course, I'm trading NQ. I feel like none of y'all really care about ES, but I'm gonna do it for the love anyway. God damn, 45 minute bullish.
The only reason why we still do a plan for ES is so she won't be forgotten, because nobody trades her.
Yeah. All right. So ES right now is looking really bullish, but we are still in the range set from yesterday. I'm actually gonna go ahead and mark this high as well from Friday. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we had this 30-minute demand zone yesterday, rallied off of it perfectly twice, and then we created this new high, which was basically this the overnight high rejected from Sunday night. And so we just kind of been ranging, and I think the reason why we've been ranging the way we've been ranging is because of FOMC, or not FOMC. We do have FOMC tomorrow too. We got the minutes, but also CPI. I think mainly CPI. But if we look at this, yesterday we pretty much double bottomed down here at the low at what level is this? 5245, and overnight we found buyers there again, which kind of tells me that this is more of a bullish consolidation more than bearish consolidation. If you go to some other time frames, you see the wicks to the downside, or you see more wicks to the downside, but the direction is up. Obviously, we see the lower wicks, not the higher wicks, just showing that buyers are more in control than sellers, especially at the low. And we're not really seeing that at the high. It's more so of like a straight sell-off, mainly because I think they're taking profit to bring it back lower, just so they can fill up more positions down to the downside. But right now, it looks like we're forming a rally-based rally on the 45-minute, potentially to break all of this. I'm going to continue higher. So what my plan on is on the day is I'm looking for shorts really right now on ES between 526,850 or 526,875 and 527,250. So just this kind of area right here, this general area. This was yesterday's high of day and then Friday's high of day. I think if we poke our head out of the high of day from Friday and we get rejected, then a lot of buyers might be in pain looking for this thing to break out. Now, if we do break out of this area and it's clean and we hold, then I'll just look for a retest for us to come back into this 2-hour supply zone that was created on Thursday at 529775. And then if we do get rejected in this area, then I'm looking to take profit down at the lows, 30-minute demand zone at 5248. Or if we continue selling off and we break the low of Monday night or Monday morning, then we may go down and test 5226, 30-minute demand. So that's pretty much my area. Just keeping everything prices in a box right now. Until we break out of the box, you can't expect continuation. So yep, that's my plan. Keeping it simple. Simple.
No doubt. All right, let me pull up. I don't have a traditional NQ plan that I usually like to write this morning because full transparency, I woke up late. You know what I mean? I brother like to sleep in every now and then. Plus, my wife had a doctor's appointment today and she slept in. And normally if I sleep in, she's the one that ends up waking me up before she goes to work. But since she had a doctor's appointment, she had no desire to even set an alarm. So there's that. Then I had to take my kids to school. But anyway, basically my plan for NQ is pretty similar. All right. Like we're at previous day high right now. We've been inside of this range right here from 375 through roughly about 251, 237. Right. So the plan should be to look for shorts right here at this previous day high. However, we are we did kind of break above this high right here at 334. Now, the reason why it's almost irrelevant that we broke above this high is because I'm not looking at this as like, hey, break above the high, look for a retest of 50%, take the market long. That's not how I'm looking at this anymore. I'm looking at this as one big chessboard, right? Which means that as long as we're inside of this range, it doesn't matter about 50%, right? Like it what matters is that you understand how the market's trading. And right now the market's trading like a chessboard until, in my opinion, CPI, right? So inside of that chessboard, as long as this high holds right here, right? And when I say hold, I mean like a closure above, right? Obviously with the intent to move higher. And as long as this low holds, I don't expect price to do anything but bounce between the highs and the lows, right? And that's basically all we have. Like there's no new demand. If you're not putting in new highs and you're failing to make new lows, then the market's going to continue to be in this range. And if that's the case, then you just play the range like a range, right? You shouldn't be trading in the middle, right? You should be trading the extremes, 253, 283, up to roughly about the higher day price, right? If we stay in that range, then that's exactly how I'm going to trade the market today. There's no reason to overcomplicate this or think you're going to get more than what you're looking for when you understand that we're in a range and we have a very good fundamental reason to be in a range, right? Like the market is forward thinking, and right now it doesn't have all of its information, right? So if that's the case, it would make sense for us to consolidate down here, maybe until the end of the day, tomorrow morning, whatever, right? Like CPI is tomorrow, so whatever it's going to be is going to be tomorrow. So no reason to waste a bunch of money in this area if you don't have to. So.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, Makai? We ain't seen you in a minute. How you doing, brother?
Facts. And then looking at the VIX right now, the VIX is pretty much in the same spot. We were in, well, not the same spot. We sold off yesterday, but the market really didn't rally the way that we sold off. So, maybe I don't know. Personally, I would like to see us actually bounce and come back up to give us some more room to sell off for CPI. Hopefully we get some type of big rally. So I would like to see us come back up, but we'll see what happens. I still have the same key levels, 14.65 for the 3 hour, and then there's a 3 hour at 16,200. So yeah, I'm hoping we get a nice little pump today, but we'll see what happens there.
Yeah, I think it's possible. Just looking at the consolidation, it's more, like you said, it's more bullish than bearish, right? Like it is trading sideways, but the way that we're coming back up is so egregious, right? Like we're coming back up with so much more strength than we are to the downside, right? So I don't know how it's going to play out. I do know that we changed character inside of this consolidation, so it would make sense for us to hold. If this can hold, right? Am I showing my screen? No. All right. If this can hold right here, right? What I mean is, if we got above this high right here, right? My little cursor. We got above this high right here. So if we can now hold 50% of this rally, then I'm convinced we'll start to trade higher, right? Otherwise, I'm just sorry. Otherwise, I'm just anticipating price trading back down to the lows and then holding the lows again. But I mean, look at the defense by the bulls every single time, right? At first, we were all kind of trading sideways in the middle of the range. Well, the bulls took it a step higher and extended the range back up to the high, right? So now it's up to the bears to defend inside the range. But if the bulls don't give back all of this and they only give back 50%, it's go time, right? I can tell you that right now. It's going to be go time. So
yeah,
as far as go ahead, bro.
I was gonna just say, I think my best trade on the day, like my best setup for what I really want to see if it's gonna work out, is we break this high and we continue pushing, and we get everybody bullish, and then we come up to this high, and this be the high that ends up rejecting price, and we come all the way back down. So that way institutes can load right back up and come all the way back up, and then that'd be the best trade on the day for me personally. That's what I personally want to see, because in my opinion, just based off of yesterday's price action and just kind of what we have going on, like overall, the more we come up, the more bearish I get, just because I just don't think that bulls want to buy all the way up here when they know they can bring it back down to the low and potentially get more, especially if CPI is going to be bullish. But the other thing could be true too. Maybe CPI is bearish, or maybe they're trying to buy it up now. They can get high prices and then dump on everybody. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. But my
lately, go ahead.
No, I was just gonna say my plan on the day is just to stick to playing key levels and only play those and not worry about everything else. So
yeah, lately I just feel like the news just doesn't matter. Like it matters the first day. Like if CPI is negative tomorrow, right? Like it'll matter. It'll dump the market. But I feel like as long as it doesn't break institutional structure, they're just gonna find more buyers. Like that's how I feel about it. Like they just keep finding buyers. So until I see that institutional structure broken, like I'm gonna remain in the trend that we currently have, because I feel like everything else would just be speculating that we're gonna be bearish. But I mean, there's been nothing about this that's been bearish, right? Like if you look back to April 5th, Friday, or whatever day we rallied, like the bears have had all this week to try to get below that level, and look what they've done. We've literally been, if you look at the 1 hour chart, right? Let me pull up my chart so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Oh, sorry, I got it. If you look at the 1 hour, right? Like if you just look at the 1 hour chart, and we look at it from this angle, right? Let's just take all of this off, right? Let's take the macros off. Let's just look at pure price action, right? What do you see, right? What you see is the market has rallied from the low of 18,050 into the high of 18,412. Since then, since this rally, this happened on Friday, the bears have been unable to break this big ass bull flag. Falling wedge, markets should rally. There's nothing bearish formationally about this area. Nothing. Zero. Zip. Nothing. Right? The only thing that you could argue, in my opinion, for me to be bearish is if buyers cannot get back above this high. But as far as this area, right? Look at it on the daily. Here, I'll show you guys on the daily. Look at the daily. Does this look bearish or bullish? Look at the weekly. Does this candle look bearish or bullish? Right? I'm not saying definitively that that's what's going to happen. I'm just saying based off the current evidence that we have, the current price action, not this guy, because we know this happened, right? This did happen, but that's not current information. That's Thursday's information. This is Friday's information. The current information that we have is extremely bullish, right? This right here, Monday's price action, extremely bullish price action inside of consolidation. It's the definition of sweep the high, sweep the low, trade sideways, and continue higher. If we get above 4110, this market is going to send. And I did not mean to rhyme at all. I'm just saying, if this market goes above 4110, I do not see us coming back down, right? Like, so, but again, I understand the bearish thesis. I just, until further notice, the market is on straight up send mode, period, point blank to me. Because every attempt to sell this market off, including this one, has been eaten up and been eaten up swiftly. But every attempt to sell the market, right? Every attempt to sell the market has been met with complete and utter brick wall, right? Every single time they try to sell it, it's like, no, you're not coming below this structural low right here, right? Until this weekly time frame is broken, right? Until we get below 17.6, 17.460, this market's going to continue to go up, man. Like, we can fight it all we want to, but ultimately this market's going to go up until they decide that it's coming down. That's just the way I feel about it. I hate it because I was talking to Justin this morning. I was telling him I hate bear markets. I mean, I hate bull markets because the volatility is just so ridiculously low in a bull market. And the spikes are just, they fake you out a lot, right? In a bull market, as opposed to a bear market where the volatility is super high and the market really obeys the rules a lot cleaner, in my opinion. Because me and Justin traded during the bear market, right? What they said was the worst time to trade, which Looking back now, I disagree. I disagree 100%. But
Yeah, I mean, yeah. No, you're right. The moves are much smaller than they used to be, which really sucks. But I mean, I agree with you that like overall we're still bullish, so it's hard to short the market. But this consolidation can go either way. Although it ain't looking good. It ain't looking good for the Bears when we're testing these highs. You know.
damn, Micaiah.
Yeah, I
Sorry,
saw
bro.
that
Let's go.
19.5K. Yeah, let's go,
Micaiah.
Micaiah. But yeah, it's not looking good when we continue to test these highs because it just makes these highs weaker every time we come up and test them. So, yeah, I mean we'll see what happens on the day. I'm still looking for shorts until the market can prove it can get above this area because we are in a range. So this is a good opportunity for overly bullish people who only want to see the market go up to get trapped once we break a high.
Bro,
So
none
that's
of
the
this
only
makes
reason
sense.
why.
None of it makes sense, Jay. None of it. Like Micaiah is saying, right? Like I agree with you 100%. It just the market just doesn't make sense right now. Like the 10-year treasury is going up.
Damn.
Gold is sending, which is basically an indication of a bear market, right? CPI is rising, right? Everything that you need fundamentally is happening. But the bulls don't care. They just keep buying, bro. Like, look at this. All they do is keep sitting in the market every single morning. It's just like like make this make sense, bro. I wish that I was wrong. But only thing I can do is read what's in front of me. And what I'm reading, these bulls have no quit in them, bro. Like they literally have no chill.
No, I agree. None. I agree. That's why I'm not stepping in their way, especially not right now. Because I was like, "Ooh, this is a potential short opportunity." I was like, "Yeah, let me wait a second."
I was like, "Not the way they building value at them highs." Seen this movie before. They about to rip faces off.
Yeah,
and everybody that's been short in this market. And look, guess what? Everybody else is thinking right now. I can tell you exactly what they're thinking. Most retail is thinking the same thing Justin and I were talking about. Most retail, you know what they're thinking? Yeah, I can look to get short up here at 479. After seeing all of this bullish consolidation, I'm looking at this 4-hour supply zone as chopped liver. This thing is as good as chop suey, in my opinion. I think if the market comes back up here, it's not coming up here to get rejected. It may initially get rejected. I don't think the market's going to get rejected up here. I think the market's going to use this liquidity, just like it's been using all of this liquidity as fuel to go higher, right? So I just don't trust. I would much rather just long the market. I just don't trust the Bears. Like even when they're in control, it doesn't really feel like they're in control. It just doesn't. Like, it just feels like it's just an opportunity for buyers to get filled. You know what I mean? So the rally's down. When the market pushes down, it doesn't push down with fluidity. You know what I mean? Like lately anyway. Inside of this range has been doing pretty well though.
Void says good morning. Good morning, Void. Void said, did you guys see every guru with a big mouth course got leaked? No, I did not see that.
I got them all in my DMs. Somebody sent them to me Sunday. I got them, but I just feel like if you understand structure, like
was it like a whole bunch of like ICT people or something?
Every big time guru you can think of. I got them in my DMs somewhere.
Wow.
I don't know. I haven't opened one of them yet. The files are just too ridiculously large. I just don't think that there's anything in there that's gonna make me be like, oh yeah, I got everything I need. The market's not the problem for me, right? Like the analysis isn't my problem. My problem has lately been myself, right? Like I don't have a problem reading price action. I don't have a problem analyzing price action. I talked to Justin yesterday about that yesterday when we were talking about it's not the analysis. The analysis can be extremely spot on, but the entry has to be on point, and then you got to believe in the trade to hold the trade, right? So I think I tend to disagree. Most people are bullish and not bearish. Retail traders are so euphoric. I would say that most people are extremely which side, bullish or bearish?
So Valdez, you sitting on M's? Is that what I'm hearing? Because you're not a retail trader, you can move this market. I'm just
Even if you were sitting on M's, you still be a retail trader. Don't be trying to act like you ain't with us. You a retail trader, fool. I'm just messing with you. Well, I just don't understand why. Yeah, I just think the way I look at it is you just can't argue what you see, right? For me, I'm not gonna fight what I see, right? Retail or not retail, green candle or not green candle. I'm looking at structure, right? And structure is telling me right now on the 4-hour chart that's on my screen right now, if the market gets back above that high to the left, right? If the market gets back above 600, it's ball game, right? Also, structure has told me that we sat down in this consolidation since Friday. This is the consolidation that we built since Friday. Right? In that time frame, what did the bears accomplish? Right? Let's look at this move right here on the 4-hour candle, and let's take a Fibonacci retracement, right? And let's just forget about retail, forget about bullish or bearish. Let's just call it what it is. From the low of this sell-off on Thursday to the high of this sell-off on Thursday, the 50% level sits at 18,311, right? Which means that the sellers either had every intention to sell this market off and allow price to come up to 50% and not defend their position. They want to be underwater, right? Like it just doesn't make any sense, right? Like just from like a monetary standpoint, it would make sense for these sellers to try to defend their position at least at 50%, at least at 70%, 61%. Like it doesn't make any sense in my brain for price to push up this high just for them to dump it right back down, right? Like,
well, I think if you think about it the opposite way, what if the majority of institutions got out of their position at that low and they're pushing up price to be a premium, kind of like what Void is saying? They're pushing up the price to be a premium so that they can make the market look bullish. So that way retail traders are like, oh yeah, the market's going back up. You know, let's get that euphoria pumping in the market. And then they dump it on retail's head again. You know what I'm saying? As like almost like setting a trap for retail traders. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna happen, but that would be what that's what I'm kind of viewing this as potentially. But if I'm wrong, then they're just gonna keep pushing price. That's fine too. So
I just look at the history to kind of walk me through that thought process, right? Because the history of price since October doesn't support that thesis, right? That's the only thing that I would point to, because that's all we have, right? We only have the history of price, right? The history of price does not support that thesis whatsoever. The what if is, well, what if they were going to sell it off Monday, February 12th, the week of the February 12th? Well, that died, right? What if they were going to sell it off the week of January 8th? Well, that died, right? What if they were going to sell it off the week of the 4th and the week of the 11th? It all died. And weekly structure is king right now. So if we're just looking at the weekly structure, show me on the weekly structure where it's bearish. I just don't see it, because the wick that we printed last week, Monday, April 1st, if this finished bearish, if this candle finished bearish, and then this one continued to sell off, obviously the week's not done, right? Obviously it's not done. But the daily candles aren't supporting a bearish thesis, right? Like nothing is support. The daily candles look like a rally-based rally right now. Like I just don't see that thesis. That's all I'm saying from a structural standpoint. If this was a 15-minute chart, you guys would not be looking to short this shit. You'd be like, damn, I'm looking for a pullback to long this. So why then would we say, well, you know, it's probably just a trap? Why? It hasn't been a trap this entire time.
I would, you know what I mean? I would say this: if you pull out to the weekly chart, right, and you look at since February 26th, we've been in a range, right? Since February 26th, we've been in a nice little range, right, where we haven't been able to close above the high and we haven't been able to break the low. So right now prices ranging, and either as we move sideways, either we're losing steam and we're going to come back down, not to be overall bearish, but just the market's going to retrace, or we're building more value, we're building acceptance here to push higher, right? So I don't think the bearish thesis is necessarily out because we're in this range, and because of the fact that we haven't really pulled back since January of 2024.
I know,
first
but
month.
that way of thinking is the reason why people keep getting stopped out. It's because everybody keeps saying, well, we haven't pulled back since October. We gotta pull back. It's like, no, we don't. We can keep going.
I didn't say we have to do any. I don't think we have to pull back at all.
I don't either.
I guess my point is that right now we're in a range, and currently the market is losing its upward velocity to potentially come back lower and test some lower prices. And I think the conditions might be primed to do so. However, it's from
upward velocity based on what?
Based on the fact that we're moving sideways right now.
That doesn't mean that the market is losing upward velocity. That's just structurally like that. That's an incorrect statement in my opinion, right? Like that, you can't just say the market, because the market is moving sideways, it's losing velocity to go higher. That's not even the definition of consolidation. In consolidation, they also could be building value. Like that's not why, even the definition.
That's why I said could. I didn't say it was. I wasn't definitive. I said it could be losing velocity. It could be.
If the market's losing velocity to the upside, it'd be selling down.
That's not true though. The market can move sideways, balance out, and then come down, because the market only moves three ways. It moves up, consolidate, or down. That's the only three ways it moves. So
yeah, but inside of consolidation, you can't definitively say that the market's losing steam because it's entered into a stage of consolidation. I mean, it consolidated multiple times on this uptrend, and none of them were none of the results was a loss of steam, right? Like
it hasn't consolidated on the weekly though.
Yes, it has. We consolidated from November 20th to December 4th, 2023. We consolidated again. We consolidated again from February 5th to February 20th. The result was what you see right now, right? And now we're currently in consolidation from February 26th to now, right? But ultimately, what brought the consolidation from a structural standpoint? And again, I'm not completely sold on the bullish case. I'm just analyzing the price and the structure for what it is right now. And right now, the structure, right? The high that brought us, or the low that brought us here, hasn't been taken out, right? So that's why I said, for me, until this low at 17,638 or 17,466 on the weekly is taken out, I cannot be bearish, right? And that doesn't mean I can't take shorts. It just means I'm not bearish on the overall trend of things right now. 1 minute to open, people. I think that was a really valuable conversation. I really love to hear the different perspectives, because I like the debate, right? Like I think it's a healthy debate. And now it's time to trade. Exactly. Sell in May and go away. Yeah, I agree with that. I mean, I think this last earnings call, between this CPI report and the earnings call, I do think the bears are coming, but I think we get one more rally to push the market super bullish, and then we start selling in June or July. That's what I think. Market is losing momentum to the upside. We closed below the 50 MA on the daily for the first time since November 23 on Thursday of last week. I really like that thesis. I like that thesis. We shall see. We shall see. I really like that thesis.
Let's see what we do. Let's see what we do. We're currently above yesterday's high of day. Holding some value here. On the tape, there's like 73 orders below us. So let's see if we can sweep that low down there, pick up those orders, see how we react. How are you gonna act, NQ? How are you gonna act?
Man, I woke up this morning and took a paper trade on gold. Just when I grabbed my phone, I was like, ooh, 2366. This looks good. This thing had no drawdown, bro. 2366.3. This thing is up $720 at the open. I'm like, come on, man.
That's gold for you.
Yep. No drawdown. How are we looking on the 200, Kaya? Let me pull up the 200. Curious. The 200 EMA?
What
I'm talking about on the higher
what
time.
chart are you looking at?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh.
No. I wanna.
That's probably why.
I wanna know where it is based off the macro. Just out of curiosity. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
I mean, we're probably well above the 200 EMA.
Well, to me, that's the one that matters. And from a macro perspective, right? 50 days is a couple months. Yeah. I'm looking at it from the macro perspective. So
yeah, because the EMA is time based too. So
exactly. And on the 4 hour, we're well above it as well. So on all of the ones that matter on a higher time frame, 4 hour and up, we're above it. So
let's see.
Yep. That's what I'm looking for. That's what we talked about earlier. Like
yeah, I'm looking for us to take some more liquidity. It looks like they're really holding 380. There's like 74 orders sitting there. Looks like we just took off 408, or no, not 408, 401 maybe ish. We're just consolidating up here.
It's not strong at all. Look at the Juju. Microsoft is selling off up here at supply. Nvidia looks like a bear flag, but the Juju, as Justin would say, is absolutely ripping toward all-time highs right now. But as long as Microsoft and Nvidia are selling, the market's going to come back down.
Yeah, here comes a bit of a dumpy dump. Okay, we just got below that level right there. We just feel that liquidity at 380.
This is what I want to see. Take out this low at 368. And I'm interested in the shorts.
Yeah. Oh wait, what level?
368.
Oh, 368. Okay.
I like the fact that we took out that low at 380. I do like that, but I like the swing low here at 368.
Yeah, that's a good level. We had that kind of like 1 minute or that really 2 minutes of basing before that nice little rally right there.
So. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah, that's what I like.
We also have a 5 minute. If you look at the 5 minute, we create a lot of rally bases and rallies to get through. A lot of like little demand zones down here that price could bounce from.
I'm hoping we don't get that dump that we got this morning. Oh yeah, this selling invalidates a lot of long pieces here. Right, that's definitely a change of character right there at 355. See if we get somewhat of a pullback here. Take this market short. This is what I like to see, baby. Give me them nice, beautiful, fluid bubbles. Yes, sir. I like this. I like.
We want to continue on this selling. We'll see though.
Yeah, this is the same way London opened up. If you look back, London's open was the exact same way at 3 a.m., which is straight flush.
This is also what we got yesterday too. For open was a straight dump.
Oh.
But if we get this dump and we keep coming down, if we don't get a pullback, I'll look for us to run that liquidity at 235, that low. If we run that low, I think that's where they'll want to pick up more. We're coming back up though, kind of aggressive right now. I ain't gonna lie.
God. Rules, chill the fuck out.
Coming back up, kind of aggressive. Kind of aggressive.
I'm watching for rejections at 378.50 here. Going down to the 15-second chart. zooming in, see if we can get a rejection down here.
I would really like to see us come all the way back up to 387.25, just a little bit higher. I might not.
Why do you want 387?
Because for me, it's a little 1 minute supply zone. I do like that area though. That 378 though. I do like that.
That's the 50%.
Yeah.
Previous high and previous low.
Yeah, it's also kind of that consolidation range as well.
Yep, it's the previous day high. Be a break and retest of the previous day high. You want to see a nice sweep up to that level?
No, yep. I'm seeing some weakness on this tape though. But we'll see.
I think we're building value to come up. I just want to see this reject right here.
We're going to continue
like,
coming up.
Like, what's that shit you saying, bro? Woo! God. Boy. That's nuts, bro. 175 lots followed by 100 lots? Damn. He said, yeah, that'll do it.
Run them pockets.
Yeah,
run them pockets.
You gonna act like that selling didn't happen?
Run them pockets. Run them.
You see what I mean when I say the market don't be making sense, bro? He's gonna act like all that selling didn't happen.
Run them pockets.
He said, run it. Got him, boys. Call him in. Bro, what?
Hold up. That is a good candle. I want to see what we're gonna do. How you gonna act? How you gonna act, big lot? How you gonna act?
I was just watching this shit. I'm like, bro, this looks like a set up. Yep, I'm good. Not the way we came back up. I told you this market don't make fucking sense right now. It don't make sense right now, bro. It's like, what? You're a beautiful break of structure, change your character, push all the way back up to the point of origin, and looks like we're about to go right through it. Like it didn't, like that never happened. Bro. Don't step in the way of these bulls, bro. They are on a mission right now. Yeah, don't step in the way of these bulls right now, bro. All they did was sweep the low and came right back up. Now they about to go sweep the high. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, bro. Look at all the buying that's coming in. It's crazy. Crazy. It's like they showed everybody all of that aggressive selling. God, look how they flipped the stock market. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. We do not short the market when Apple is fucking sending, and this shit is sending right now. Apple and Microsoft are sending. Nope. I'm out. There will be no shorting today. God damn. Oh my God. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. They about to rip this thing. They about to rip faces off today, boys.
Yeah, the VIX is selling down too.
Mm-hmm. Damn, Apple is pushing off that 4-hour demand. Jesus. Bro, the VIX is dumping hard. Yeah, we're almost back down to that candle that we put in on that Thursday. We're almost about to come right back down and sweep that candle. They do this every time. This entire uptrend has been on repeat, bro. They send the VIX with some aggressive selling just so they can get it back up to a level where they can sell it back down, back below 14.
Yeah, I mean they got to.
Yeah, they got to have some type of volatility to push this market. All right, let's see if these are the sellers that we've been waiting.
Still look good though.
On the tape, they do. Structurally, not so much. And throughout the rest of the market, no thank you. I will not be touching shorts. I'll go ahead. And look, just zoom out and look at the 15-minute candle.
No, I know. I'm looking at 15. I see it.
Cold is fucking sending right now. Oh my God, this paper trade is printing. Oh, it's disgusting. Where's the selling coming from, though? That's what I want to know. Ah, okay, we're inside of that same range from yesterday again. What is this range? This is April 5th high and low that we keep freaking trying to break. Now we're at the point of origin from April 5th. Here come the sellers, baby. Here they come. All right, Valdez. You better be in these shorts. Justin, you better be in these shorts. At your level.
Yeah, I'm waiting to see if we can't break this. Well, we already broke the level. I just want to see us come back up and retest the selling. See if we can't defend it. Oh man, oh my God, these bulls. God
damn,
Jesus.
There will be no shorting from me today, sir. Nope. I'm just looking at the rest of the market and I'm like, the only reason why we're selling right now is because Nvidia hasn't woken up, or maybe they're waiting for Apple and Microsoft to sell back down. I don't know. I just know right now, as it stands, like 3/4 of the Mag 7 are super bearish right now. I mean, super bullish right now. So I'm not stepping in the way of these bears. These bulls. This looks like a break and retest the previous day high right here. Oh.
Yeah, it's just like
level
a
is huge. The market,
rally, a base.
it looks like we're basing a previous day high right now. if we're gonna hold value above 378.50, I'm definitely interested in longs.
Interestingly enough, though, ES is selling off right now.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said like 3/4 of the stocks are getting busy to the upside. The other portion are selling off. Yeah, ES is going straight down right now. This is the weird vibes that you get from NQ and ES today. I just think we're going up. I mean, Nvidia's catching a bounce. The only thing left is to see what Microsoft is going to do with this supply zone here. Is it going to push through and hold value, or is it going to continue to sell off? Because ES looks like it's selling off, but it's still not breaking those lows right there at 52.63. Here we go. That's what I want to see. Give me some of the aggression. The aggressors definitely seem to be the bears right now.
Yeah, they're definitely trying to break us down.
Yeah, they're
lower.
trying to break this thing down, but Lord, the amount of pressure that it takes to sell this market is crazy.
And it's
but all the selling, nothing. You know what I mean? Like it's like we're just stuck at previous day high. Like make a decision.
The selling comes in spurts. It comes in like little waves.
Which then sets the trap, right? For the bulls. It feels like they're setting the bulls up right now. GC is freaking sending right now. Yeah. This feels like a bear. This feels like a bull trap. This definitely feels like a bull trap right now. All of that buying at the highs, not pushing this market up, is a red flag for me. But it's like we just can't go anywhere. Every time we sell down, the bulls just buy it right back up. Are you in a conference call about this? He said, most definitely. That's all good. I was just curious. I was like, that's not like some important stuff. Ain't nobody worried about revenue.
You a whole clown, bro. You a whole clown.
Nvidia falling again. Yeah, I see that. 18.21825 noted. Got it. ES sweep 52.63. Yeah, ES is what made me bearish.
Yeah,
ES definitely made me bearish.
ES made me bearish too. I was watching.
Like, yeah, good call, Justin.
I was watching ES. I was like, oh, this thing's selling off.
Time to get short. I was like,
down.
I said, time to get short. You should have never said that. What a great morning, crushing it. Yeah, I'm short too.
I'm short as well.
Yeah,
what'd you get short at?
I was 37325, the break of the previous day high. I wanted to see if we were gonna hold previous day high or we were gonna break it. I said if we break it, I'm in. If we hold it, I'm in the other way.
I got short at 385.
Yeah, that's a good short.
But it looks like we're trying to bounce off. Well, we got below VWAP. See if we can hold VWAP.
Yeah, I just wasn't certain up there. Like I really wanted to short up there, but I was just like, man, I don't trust these bears. These motherfuckers haven't proven shit.
I was certain when I saw ES dumping, I was like, oh no, this is
when you say ES was dumping, I looked, I said, oh, he right. It's time to get short. Yeah, we'll take that. We'll take that. Take that. All right, my target is 252.
Yeah, my target is 341 right now. I'm kind of watching us down here at this low though.
Yeah, the amount of selling that came into this market, I was like, man, if this thing does go bullish, it's gonna go crazy. But all right, let's check on these stocks here.
Oh, you got it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, everything's reversing. I love it. I love to see a good bull trap. They had me fooled like a motherfucker. But when Justin said ES was selling off, I looked at it. I was like, I mean, it's not. I was like, nah, it's selling off. Time to get short.
Mhm.
I
Yeah,
was
it
like,
was
no
definitely
need to fight
selling
this.
off.
No need to fight this. Not fighting this at all. Oh my god.
Now I'm
Question
just
is,
gonna let
this
this do it.
pullback though? Because the market's still bullish. The market is still in a bullish trend up. That's the only problem with my entry.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
can
I'm
come
not liking.
all the way back up. Jesus.
I'm not liking this.
These
Jesus
freaking
Christ.
bulls, man.
They ain't got no chill.
None, bro. None. You got a dynamic ass entry though, so you could literally be at break even and just hold this.
Oh, I'm at break even right now already, but I'm thinking about taking some profit. Honestly, if this thing,
I'm letting this thing go to my profit target or stop me out. That's it. I had a talk with myself yesterday. It was like, look here, bitch. we better than this. We're better than this. You take your profit or you take your loss. That's it. That's the way I got to trade. I have to trade that way because if I don't, I'm just gonna leave too much meat on the bones.
Yeah.
I decided to stay out of the evening market. Seems I get smoked every time I play the evenings. Like 2 nights ago, while Hobbs is doing dishes, TC was taking my money. Oh, you were in the shorts? Oh, yeah. GC was smoking shorts.
Real bullish down here.
Vixen's not participating in this move, but whatever. It is what it is. I've made my decision. The juju has spoken for everyone. This thing is going. It's the people going.
I'm gonna secure some profit. Come on, just come down. Just come down. Come on, come down.
You want NVIDIA to 863, then you out? Let's see where's NVIDIA's at. Yeah, it went to 863, so I assume you're out. I assume you're out. I just like the way ES is selling down. So what I'm looking for is for NQ to come down to roughly about 281 to 252. But the longer we stay down here at these lows, the more we build value. Right. So.
Yeah, I just secured the 2-to-1. I'm gonna secure my 2-to-1, and then I'm gonna move on to the next trade. I don't like the way we're staying down here. Like I said, we're building some value. We came down, retested once. We're just unable to break. So I'm gonna secure the 2-to-1 and look for the next setup. If this thing wants to continue dumping, that's fine too.
NVIDIA make or break. Yeah, this is definitely make or break for NVIDIA right here. Definitely make or break. It's inside of demand. It's holding the previous day low, but if it breaks below there, like I'm pretty confident in the trade. If not, then I'm good with the loss.
Well, custom. I was trying to figure out whether or not I wanted to take profit or if I wanted to stay in the trade.
Those facial
That's why I was
expressions,
making facial expressions. I was like, I'm thinking, like,
bro,
do I really want to stay or do I want
to be scaring me with his facial expressions, bro? I'd be like, bro.
I was trying to figure out whether I wanted to stay in the trade or not. And I was like, you know what?
It do be uncomfortable though. Like everybody be uncomfortable when they traded, man. But I just told myself last night, like, I just gotta take it because I mean, I could. It's either that or I become a scalper, right? And I don't. Oh yeah, pause. Pause. Yeah. And if I take something, I'm gonna take everything. Like I'm not leaving no partials, none of that, no more. Because that annoys me too. Because nothing, bro. Like I want everything. I don't need no partials. I don't need nothing. If you're gonna push down. If you're not, then I'm just gonna take everything off.
Well,
that's go ahead.
That's why, like, so I took an initial short. I think me and Valdez might have taken the same short, and I stopped myself out early because we started coming up aggressively. I was all right. I'll wait for it to. I'll wait and see what we do on this retest.
Wait to see if it pops out, right?
Yeah, and so once we dumped, I was like, all right, let me just wait on the retest. We got the retest. I got back in at a higher entry, but I was cool with it. But once we started playing around the low, I was like, well, I have a decision to make. Either I could take the 2-1, which I'm up now, or I can allow this thing to run and potentially stop me out from break even. I decided to go for the 2-1 because that's what I was comfortable with, and I didn't want to sit through this. Will I regret this? Maybe, but I'm cool with it because as long as I'm taking 2-1s, like I consider that a win for me, right? So, but I also size down though to 1 because it's the morning and the volatility is nuts, but 2 so that I can hold trade, so I can hold trades longer and I'm not so emotional about them. So that really wasn't an emotional decision for me. It was just more of like all right, I'm up at 2-1. Do I really want to give back this 2-1? Nah, I don't. So I'm just gonna take it. So
yeah, and I don't knock you for selling it at all. Like, yeah, I mean, a 2-1 is a great trade, right? Like,
it is.
There's nothing to sniff at. I mean, to sneeze at to get a 2-1. Like that's a great.
A 2-1 keeps
trade.
The doctor away, you know.
Yeah,
or the job away.
Facts.
He said, if only you can see me in the trade, I have those same looks. Well, I'm glad. I'm the only one.
I just don't get like that. Like I genuinely don't, because Justin refused to go watch the show. But anyway, he'll go watch everybody else trade, but won't watch himself
I actually rewatched it yesterday. Funny enough.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Did you see how bloodshot my eyes were and how sleep deprived I was? When I watched it back, I was like, I need to go to sleep. I
mainly watched it to see y'all talk shit about me wanting to short the market up there, which y'all were, but it's all good though.
You watched it for your ego purposes.
I pretty much did. I was like, I know I'm not crazy, and I know Jonah heard it too. They was calling me crazy for thinking about shorting up there, and then these motherfuckers end up shorting up there anyway.
Justin never. No. I'm not letting you get away with this. Justin never. I've asked Justin to watch the tape numerous of times to help him with his trading. Right?
Nope.
I said you need to go back and watch your emotions and help you with your trade. Only when he wanted to defend himself, right, and prove somebody wrong, did he then find value in going to watch the tape. Only you, bro. Only you.
Yep. Only you can prevent bad trades by watching your replay despite losing money.
My man don't want to watch nothing. You're like, Jay, you should just watch yourself trade, man. Like, especially when you take a bad trade, like look and see what you were feeling at the moment. Yeah, I'll go back and watch it, House. I'll go back and watch it. Okay. I know you're lying to me, but it's okay. Like I know this is a complete lie, but okay.
You know what I actually started doing though? Instead of going back and watching the trade, God, these bulls. And instead of doing that, what I started doing, because I really don't like the sound of my own voice, which is funny because actually when I went back and watched it, it really wasn't that bad. But anyway.
Lord Jesus, Apple, slow down, boy.
Yeah, I see Apple. But I actually started writing down my emotions during trades in my journal. I just start, like, if you ever see me start looking and you see me start typing, it's because I'm typing down what I'm feeling in my trade. So I go back every day and just read it.
All right, I'm out. Nope. Not with the Apple going crazy like that. No, sir. Yeah,
no, I don't think so. I think this was the last. I think this is the last ditch effort by sellers to bring this market lower. This is about to be a quintuple bottom right here. This is about to go, just based off of the tape anyway. We're not at a key level for me, but this will be a nice. I think this will be a nice little scalp. Honestly, back to the upside. Just looking at this. There's a lot of selling going on that's not being rewarded. Apple's starting to take off.
Bro, Nvidia is flushing down the freaking toilet, though.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Might be inverse day. might be the day where the market, when Apple pumps, the market dumps. Because Nvidia is flushing right now.
Yeah. But here comes the, I don't know. This is, if I guess, which one is going to be stronger? Is Apple going to carry the market on its own back to the upside, or is Nvidia going to keep dragging this market down?
I don't know. I just know this consolidation does not look the type of consolidation that made me comfortable to stay in the short, so I got the fuck out.
Yeah, no.
I was like, nope, nope.
This is looking increasingly bullish in my opinion.
That's why I got up out of there. I was like, yeah, let me take my profits. Once we came down and retested that low again, I was like, nope, I'm out.
Yeah. If you see the tape, look how many times we tapped 42, 342.
Yeah,
we can see it
multiple times. I said, okay, am I gonna sit here and watch this thing reverse, or I'm just gonna go ahead and get out? Because the bulls are clearly trying to defend 42.
Yeah, they are. They really are. You can see it. You can see the candlesticks too, and that last push up by the bulls was so much buying, Look at them go.
Google, bro. Jesus, this market just does not care. No regards for human life. It's sending, baby. Only up from here.
Yeah.
I've seen this movie way too many times, bro, where we just consolidate down at that low and we put that square box down there. I'd be like, nope, that H pattern, it's kind of like the H pattern fails. and then we just take off from there, bro. Just building that little consolidation right there. I'll just be like, nope, time to go.
Yeah, we spent too much. We spent way too much time at that low to not break it.
Just these stank ass bears, man. They don't know how to keep selling. The bulls don't know how to stop buying. I hate shorts. I hate them. They
just wait for lower prices.
Huh?
I said they're just waiting for lower prices.
Oh, the bulls, yeah.
Mm-hmm. I just hope that we don't consolidate in this little range that we're in between 404 and 337. I just hope it's not one of those days. But we basically just built demand down there now, so we'll see what happens.
Yep. That we did. Look at this 5-minute candle, bro. This shit is so bullish.
Right at VWAP. Right at VWAP.
Oh, was that VWAP too?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez, so many confluences.
It was VWAP, and we had a 5-minute demand zone down there too, which I think was actually a pretty strong demand, just because of the way we rallied off of it. But we did slightly break it, but whatever. Just gonna wait now, see what we do, see if we build some more structure. Let's check on good old ES. The crazy part is ES still really hasn't found any buyers like that. Like NQ is just
built different.
Something. Yeah, like structurally, ES broke a lot of structure. NQ,
yeah, that's what I was hoping for to the sell side. I'm like, man, if ES is selling off like this, NQ should follow suit, and it still might.
Yeah,
that rally got shut down immediately with more selling.
It did. And this is I hate when NQ does this. NQ will look really bearish and then consolidate, then rip up, then fail, and then go back to being bearish again. Like, ha, gotcha.
It's like grossly bearish too. When it switches back over, it makes you feel stupid for selling. You're like, how did you go from looking so bullish to looking so extremely bearish so fast? It's like, damn. Meanwhile, ES is just straight down.
Yeah, ES just smoothly coming down.
Smoothly
like
coming
back
down
a little bit, but then smoothly back down again. It's like, come on, man.
Let's see what the Dow looks like. I'm curious. I bet you the Dow been down.
Oh my god!
I bet you the Dow been selling off,
bruh. The Dow looks so beautiful.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this is what I be talking about, bro. This is what I be like, man. I'm low key be thinking about fading. Look at this.
You hate to see it
on the Dow, bro.
You hate to see it.
Let me go. Let me make sure y'all.
The Dow not done either.
Bro,
you hate to see it.
Look at this. Look at this. What we have been over here playing around with. I'm telling you, man, NQ is in danger of getting off my list of things to trade. Look at this. Look at this sell-off on the Dow. Meanwhile, they playing FF games. Bro, NQ be on games, man. This
my God.
This is what NQ is supposed to look like. Meanwhile, the Dow been selling off. The Dow, like, bro, what is y'all talking about? Like, y'all should have been getting into this thing. That's why I was like, hold on, let me check the Dow. Because usually the Dow be gone. Yep, it's gone.
No, let's see. They tried to flip the book right there on NQ. The market will not go up without Nvidia. That might not be true. Not if Apple catches a nasty bid. Apple
is catching a bid. I think Apple, like I told you, I forgot. Apple's like the new inverse Kramer, bro.
Yeah.
Look at Nvidia sell off and look at Apple go the opposite direction. The market's definitely rolling with Nvidia and Microsoft because both of them are larger than Apple. See, this is the bullshit I'm talking about. Like, let me look at the Dow. Like, the Dow sells off perfectly. Nvidia, I mean, everything is in favor of NQ dropping. Let's see what the Dow is doing right now. Oh, yeah, I'm on that. Oh, Dow's coming back up, which means Nvidia's probably about to come back. I mean, NQ's probably about to push back.
Yeah, I don't know. We just broke a pretty strong low, and looks like we're about to reclaim it, which might not be good for the Bears. If they reclaim this, it's not going to be a good day for them.
116 lots came in, bro. This thing is nuts, bro.
I'm definitely gonna fade this though. We should continue selling, but then again,
I want this thing to come down. Like I beg of it to sell off. Like I so hate when the market is this bullish. Like
VIX is catching the bid though.
It's freaking annoying when the market's this bullish. Like I really want this thing to sell off.
Yeah, me too. VIX is catching a nice little bid though. So hopefully we continue to sell off. I like VIX catching this bid right here. And look at Nvidia go. Yeah.
He said, look at Nvidia. Oh, goodness. Oh,
yeah.
And Meta. Look at Meta. Meta's like, see ya. I got back in the shorts on that rejection at the high, though.
Okay. This is what Google
shorted. I wish I would have shorted the Dow. I'm not going to lie.
Who you telling?
So much more comfortable shorting the Dow.
I'm gonna need you to stop looking at other things when we're looking at NQ slowly.
Every time I feel like every time I feel like NQ playing games, I'll be like, you know what? Let me go look at the Dow just to see what the difference is and what we got to deal with. And every time the Dow just be straight up or straight down. What NQ used to do, right? Like when NQ got ready to sell off, it just came down, or when it got ready to push, it just went up. It messed around for a little bit, but it got going. This right here is trash. I mean, even ES is moving way better than NQ today. ES is a straight flush. NQ's like, yeah, we gonna flush, but we gonna make you sit through some pain first.
Yeah, we're getting these mixed signals are not.
It's not mixed. The thing is, the rest of the market is not mixed. It's just NQ that feels like a mixed signal. But ultimately, it's trying to choose down. It's just so hard to sell it off. I know, bro. Look at ES just continuing to sell.
Everybody wants a piece.
Oh, let me change this back to NQ.
There's a lot of selling going on at this low right here. Oh, there goes a bid. I don't know, man. Like at this low, I'm more bullish than I am bearish, just based off of what I'm seeing off the tape. But like, I don't want to touch the market, but just it's hard because everything else is coming down, and also we're catching a really nice bid on VIX. I really like the way VIX looks for more potential downside on the indices. But my only issue is that we're getting really close to demand on Nvidia. We're 4-hour
We're
demand
in
is down
demand
there.
right now.
Oh yeah, for me the 4-hour demand's at 85247.
Oh
And
yeah,
on
I
top
got
of
that one. Well, I got. We're in 2-hour demand for me right now, from
Yeah, I gotta-
868 to 850, which is probably
Yeah.
the same demand zone.
And then on top of that, like you said, Google has decided it wants to lose its mind, and then Apple's losing its mind. I don't know. I just it always scares me when ES is selling off really aggressively and NQ's not, because I feel like a balance is like imminent on NQ. And I feel like it's gonna be really harsh.
Well, I mean, you could look at it another way, right? You could look at it like ES is leading the way,
That could be true too.
and NQ just hasn't come down to structure yet. I mean, structurally speaking, NQ is still in an uptrend. ES is not.
Yeah, ES is breaking all types of levels right now.
Structurally speaking, ES gave it up a long time ago. But NQ has NQ's a shifted character. We're in a downtrend, but this uptrend that brought us up here is still intact. Right? So,
oh man, if you look at ES structurally compared to NQ, it is ridiculous how far ES has fallen compared to NQ.
I know. That's why I was looking at it. I was like, yo, like structurally, that's why I was targeting 282 on my short, but I can't see this thing. Like, this is nuts. It's so unnecessary. Man, this is so unnecessary. Makes you just want to trade a different instrument. That's all. As a matter of fact, I'm about to go over here and chart that down.
Chicago Shot said, "Good day. Who's long goal? My entry is 23665. Damn,
236. Damn, go, God, bro.
Oh my God.
Look at my screen for a second, bro. Watch when I switch screens.
Oh man.
Hold on. Oh, I gotta switch over. Hold on. Look at this dumbass paper trade I took this morning. What entry did you say he had?
23665.
Look at this. Look at my
screen. You was 23663. God damn.
Money, bro. I woke up this morning. I said, "Oh, it's time to get long." Oh my God, I'm so out of this trade.
What there goes NQ.
What
I told you
right now.
I told you. They playing all these games with NQ. It's ridiculous.
I went from one screen to the other one. I went from up to down $50. I was like, yo, what is happening right now?
Yeah, they're playing games, bro. They're playing games with NQ. They're playing games.
The market's following the structure. It just takes so long to do what it needs to do. And then it gets back up to the top of structure, comes right back down.
Yeah, let's see what we do here. Let's
Probably
see if we
right
continue. Is this gonna be short lived? This is gonna be one of those days where we're just in a slow downtrend all day.
This looks super powerful.
We looked super powerful the last time we came up here too.
The only thing I would be doing at this point, if we're gonna sell off, I'm just gonna scalp the longs, because I feel like the longs happen much faster than, even in the downtrend, the longs happen much faster.
Damn. Yeah, we had a massive CBD difference right now.
Yeah.
My God. But
it's really one of those things, don't feel like the Bears are ever in control.
The question is, are we gonna break above 367? If we can break above 367, then I would look for us to come back in long where this consolidation's at, because I really like this consolidation that we built back down there at like 345.
The 5 minute looks perfect consolidation. Another inverse head and shoulders down there at 335. 3 taps on gold. 3 taps on NQ on the 5 minute. Mm-hmm. Gold is absolutely sending right now.
Yeah, this was a bear trap on NQ if I've ever seen it. Yes, we can call it a sell off, but NQ.
He said, "Yes, sell off." NQ, go. Oh Lord!
Oh my
Jesus.
God! NQ trap these bears. Trap them.
They trapping both sides though.
They really are. Because we still haven't gotten above there and closed.
We haven't gone anywhere. We're just trapping both sides right now. It's just trapping liquidity altogether.
If we come down here aggressively again, which we might, I'm gonna be upset. Because we just ran that. I'm not gonna be upset, but we just ran that high right there. So let's see what we do. See if these buyers get trapped up here. They picked up that liquidity, or we just continue going up. I'm hoping we continue going up.
Yeah, me too. I'm hoping we go up and break above 404, and then I'm interested in longs, like you said, back in this area. But
if we break 404 or 408, I want to see continuation. I'll be very, very bearish if we come back down here. That'll not be a good sign for me.
Dang, this was a 5-minute demand zone too.
Oh yeah, to the left. Yeah.
I missed that. I did not see that.
Yeah, we were unable to break that level and close below it. And now I feel like we're trapping bull or bears up here. We're kind of consolidating at this high. I want to see us run it. I really want to see us run this high.
Oh, I'm so salty about this gold paper trade. Every time I paper trade gold, it goes. Every time. It's usually no. I have to sit through no pain. It just goes. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a wrap. That's a wrap, Johnny. Who's this guy? 173 lots at the high.
Yeah, but we're still not holding it though.
This is absolutely insane.
Oh my God. Don't do it to him, NQ. Don't do it to him. Don't do it to him, NQ.
NQ has no regard for human life today. What type of shit is this?
Don't do it to him, NQ.
I'm watching this tape. I'm like, bro, this is nuts right now. They're like, got him.
Don't do it to him, NQ. Oh Lord, don't do it to him, NQ. Oh, don't do it to him, NQ. No.
Oh. Look how hard we're coming back down. This is nuts. Fucking.
I told you.
Push you down.
I told you.
Wait. On my mother-loving nerve right now, bro.
The crazy thing is let's see if we. I'm not trading this because I don't like the way we came. I don't like this at all. But
bro,
let me see. We're tapping back into this area where we built some demand. Let's see if we bounce here. If we start to bounce here, these bulls are playing yay games.
Oh, on the
remember that song?
Meanwhile, on the Dow,
it came right back up. It's not even look at the Dow came back up all nice and slow and then took off and now come. Oh my God!
The whole time NQ just wants down. This is freaking great.
NQ doesn't know what it wants. Neither does ES at this point. ES just rejected pretty nicely right there though.
Tapping back into 50%, going right back up.
Yeah, we're holding that. Yeah, we're holding this 5-minute demand that we just on the lower time frame.
Oh my!
This is nuts.
Why, bro? Why?
Yeah. NQ's on Mr. Steal Your Money time.
It's a demon time for real, bro.
NQ is still ranging, so I'm not trading until it breaks out. In the meantime, I'm smoking on gold dust.
Yeah, bro, you killing it right now. You killing gold right now.
Yeah, we are in a mean. We're in a mean
little
range.
This low, I'm interested in longs down here at 330, but the amount of selling that's coming into this market right now is not pushing this market down. Is very, very strange to me. Very strange.
Yeah. I like this level for potential longs too. This is looking like it could be a nice inverse head and shoulders potentially forming down here. We're kind of getting that nice little consolidation. We're coming back into this into where we ranged earlier before pushing out. We didn't break the high, but there is a lot of selling down here at this low.
On your gold trade, watch out for those highs up there. We did change character. And we're coming back into that point of origin at 2384. So be careful on the gold. Right where you're at right now is where price should look to reject.
This is just nuts, NQ. The VIX ain't really cooperating.
I think I'm taking longs right here on NQ.
There's just so many mixed signals going on right now. Look at the stop.
I think I want to get long. I'm
longs look good.
I'm long right here. The amount of times we tapped into this zone is just absurd. We have to go up. It only makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever you say, Hobbs. Whatever you say. Justin's like, yeah, well, there's the other option.
It's hard to get long when I'm looking at the VIX and the VIX is trying to push and
it's been sitting at 30 this whole time. It ain't really moved.
Yeah, that's true.
I think you think it's pushing because you saw it go up by 5 points for a second real fast. But it hasn't really gone.
Now the longs do look good down here though. I want to see if we can't, well, if it goes, it goes, that's fine. But if we can maybe push down one more time, that wouldn't be a bad thing for me. Nah, they look good. I think Nvidia wants to reverse here.
I think the Bears had their chance, man. They can't do it.
The Bears had their day.
They just can't do it, bro. Like they try every day. We go through the same shit. Bears try so hard to bring this market down, and the Bulls just come back every time, every single day. It's like, damn, bro. Like y'all just ain't got it, bro. Y'all just ain't got it. And then right when I say that, zip.
Nah, I think it's just a pullback to go higher.
I'm in it this time. Fuck it.
Not
can't go down, we gotta go up. And the structure supports it, so
yeah, we just put in a lower high. Or a higher low, sorry. Did we tap the 50% too? Oh, yeah, we did. Let's check on the yes. Yeah. Yes is also ranging right now.
Demon time right now.
They have no chill. None. Zero.
Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing with people's mind this week? Oh, I should have just faded you all week until Wednesday and Thursday. This thing just will not do anything. Just go up, bro. You tried to sell off so many times. It just has not happened, bro. Oh my god, Nvidia's still dropping to the fucking floor. Ugh. It's so hard to be up.
Yeah, now Google's giving it up too.
Yeah, everybody's dumping as soon as I get Come on, man. NQ, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? What are you doing?
NQ doesn't even know what it wants.
Man, this is nuts, bro. This thing got me all over the place this morning. Let me take a step back. Jeez. I just got put through the ringer, bro.
I
do not go in there. Oh my god. It's managed, but damn, NQ. I felt dirty, bro. I was like, ew, man. What is this? How am I so incorrect?
Oh, and now Apple wants to. Oh God.
Oh yeah, this is about to be a straight flush,
If Apple gets on board, this is not gonna be good.
bro. I was short, damn near the top too. And they said, "Yeah, get him out of here, buddy.
Oh,
Take him away.
Here we come.
All right, just get some clean selling to come out of this level. Just let this thing come on down, and then I'll be interested later. But I'm not touching this shit at the point of origin. That's what it feels like. We're building.
Yeah, looks like we're putting in a base and a drop on the 15. Oh my God! What? See, why couldn't you have just sold off like this?
That, right? Like, why you could just done that?
Instead, you had to play with everybody's emotions. Go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, and then you want to drop.
Yeah, the steal, bro. Yeah, the steal.
Jesus. And they made it look so bullish too. Like, that's the crazy part about it. They made it look so bullish, but
oh my God, not this candle. Not anything but this candle.
You made it look so bullish.
At least chop around a little bit. Let's chop around. Hey, yo, come back up like you did when I was in. No?
Nope.
I hate you, Nick. I hate you so much. Oh my God, why?
Oh my God, look. Now everybody wants to be on the same page. Apple selling off, Google selling off, Microsoft selling off, Nvidia selling off. They all are on the same page now. Oh my God, look at Nvidia dump.
Oh my God.
Look at Apple dump. Oh, these shorts are printing.
What shorts? You in the shorts, Justin?
No, I'm not. I wish.
Like, what fucking shorts? Not you. I know you still in your shorts. I'm talking about Justin. He said, "Oh, these shorts are printing." What shorts, motherfucker? You been in shorts this whole time?
No, I haven't. I haven't been in shorts. Bro, I was long biased with you down there. I was like, "Oh, we can't break." No, I did not see this coming. I ain't gonna lie. I did not see this coming.
Oh my God, there's my profit target smashed. Oh, careful here. This is the 50% of this rally right here, but I don't think it matters.
He's so geeky. Oh man.
Yeah, this 5 minutes
still in that 1 hour range. If we lose 75 points, yeah, we coming down. Target 295 been out. Look below. Oh, okay, Michelle.
Oh my God.
Oh, dang, Michelle. Incense 385.
359. She said.
Oh, 35. Dang, Michelle, you held through. Better one than me.
I couldn't do it. I was a bitch. Hey, you know it's bad when Bookmap start catching up, trying to catch up with the day. Let's go. Good body count. Good body count.
This might not be done neither. Woo. Oh yeah, we just tapped into that 50%.
Yeah, we just tapped into it. I don't think it matters. I think the market's officially made its decision here. I love it. Please sell off. And there goes, oh my God, the VIX just tapped 45, bro. Yeah, this is a true sell off.
Yeah, the VIX. Oh, we're not.
Ooh. Call the Bobo. There's been a robbery.
Good Lord.
There's been a robbery. Oh
that was
my
70.5 minute candle.
Oh my God.
Order filled. Let's go, Michelle. Let's go.
Filled. Damn. Right down to the previous day low. Let's go, Michelle. Let's go.
All right, let's see what we do down here. See if we continue this sell off.
That was clean. That was clean, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you do it right there. Good job, Shop family. Good job. I couldn't hold through that shit, but you guys did. So bro, me and Justin was in at the tippy top.
Yeah, we were
again, bro. It feels like a daily routine this week. I feel like every day this week I've called tops and bottoms and let them go, man. Let them go. For a measly fucking 2-1. What the fuck? Man, this is really, really fucking with me this week. Thoroughly fucking with my ego this week. Thoroughly. Marcus tested my fucking gumption this week. I think that's 4 trades this week, almost 5 that I've missed by a hair because I sold too early, right? And instead of just accepting the trade, I keep talking myself out of it because of the speed in which we come up. Man, break even would have never even been hit for neither one of us. I was in at 7-3, never tapped. Man, another 100-point trade. Missed. Oh, boys. I am having a tough week. Take the wins, take the losses. This has been a very tough week. I think it all started Sunday. It all began on Sunday. Yeah. Oh, what'd you add to it? You added some minis on it? Yeah.
Son of a bitch. They had news on Nvidia that dropped it. Apparently they don't think Nvidia is going to be
Bro,
they don't
look at fucking ES.
Yeah, no. They don't think Nvidia is going to have good earnings.
Justin.
I know. I see.
ES is down 40 fucking points, bro.
I see it. Yeah, structurally, ES broke a lot of structure right there.
Oh, that's ball game. If earnings are gonna be bad for Nvidia, that's not good for the market.
Yeah,
that's finally the fear we need. I love it. Thank you, Nvidia. Thank you for bowing the fuck out. Jeez, we were tired of this shit.
Now let's just see how much the Bulls eat up of this dip, or if we just consolidate down here for a little bit. Hopefully we consolidate down here for a little bit.
Yeah, I want to see us officially take out this previous day low. And then I'm interested in shorts on the way back up. I mean, longs on the way back up, and then shorts. Longs at 18. You have that 1 hour demand zone at 18,144?
No, I got a 30-minute at 206.50 though.
Yeah, that's the same thing for me. I mean, not 600. That's great. 600 is wild, but you also in
600 is wild.
But he's also in much bigger size than me. Like I started off in micros, 5 micros. So I started off. That's why I said same for me. I started off down 300.
Yeah, I started off down as well, but
so I'm green on the day now though. I'm green. I took a little bit of that downtrend a little bit. Keep me making you second guess life, bro. I'm telling you. It's like, bro. But look at what you had to sit through. Comparison. Take a look at the Dow in that same time zone. That's what I was comparing it to last when I was talking to you guys about it. Look at the Dow. Look how perfect the Dow played to structure. Previous high, previous low, right? 50%. We didn't 50% retracement, right? Beautiful tap, beautiful candle structure, and straight down, right? Nothing scary about the Dow. Fucking crazy, bro. Matter of fact, I'm about to chart the Dow for this next move down because I would much rather trade Dow with 1 mini than to trade NQ with 5 micros, which is sad, but true.
Yeah, I got a 1 hour demand zone on Dow at 39.13.
Yeah, but I don't think that demand zone is going to hold because the low that brought it there didn't didn't produce a new high. You feel me?
Yeah, no, I know. I still got it though, just in case.
Yeah. No, I agree that it should be there 100%. It's definitely demand, but I'd be looking for us to push through that. And then let me look at the 4 hours.
Oh no, that 1 hour did bring us a new high. That 1 hour bounced.
It didn't take out the. Well, it didn't take out the high that brought it down there. So the high that created the low was way up there at 39,575, but that low is a weak low because it didn't take out that high. Right? If this low doesn't get above 792, the market's bearish.
That 1 hour demand I took from February 21st.
Oh, okay. I thought you were looking at the one that's current, the current 1 hour demand.
No, that's why I said it's bounced it 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
I'm tracking. I didn't know you were looking at it from back there.
Yeah, because I looked at it, I was like, oh, you're right, and then I looked back, I was like, wait, hold up, no,
wait, no, you're not.
I got this a minute ago. Yeah.
I'm also looking at it on Topstep X to chart it, and you can't look back that far.
No, you can't. Well, I don't know if they'll ever put the continuous chart on there.
What a freaking dump on NQ. We needed this so much, and it's all thanks to NVIDIA. Damn, ES? God. Oh my God. I haven't seen ES sell off 50 points before lunch since. Oh, we're back, baby. Let's go. Bring on the volatility, baby. Thank you, NVIDIA, for bringing the market back to freaking reality. Thank you so much. Jesus. This feels so good to see this dump. Like, I'm not even, I took a little bit of it, and thank you, it got me green on the day. But damn, I am so, as much as I'm bullish on the structure this morning on my argument, mentally, I want this flush more than anybody. Trust me when I tell you, I've been talking to Justin about this shit all morning. Like, bro, we need a flush, man. We need a cleanse. Like, this is getting ridiculous. Like, we need some fear into this market. And the one thing that I forgot about is happening, which is NVIDIA selling off. That's all we needed was some bad news from NVIDIA. Thank God. Thank you.
Yep.
That's all I wanted, man, was some freaking volatility, not this crap we've been getting. ES, how dare you?
How we gonna act? How we gonna act?
Yo, if the volatility comes back into the market, Justin, you already know what I'm about to say, don't you? Going back to ES, baby. I'm going back to ES, baby. I'm here. I'm back. I'm back.
You ain't lying. That ES trade would have been so much easier to hold.
If the volatility comes back into the market, I'm telling y'all right now, you're gonna find out why me and Justin love ES so much. Because it's so clean. It's so much cleaner than NQ. But because NQ was so volatile and it was just going straight up and outperforming ES so bad, we switched over to NQ. But home is ES. And if that mofo decides it wants to start printing because of the volatility, I'm back, baby. I'm back.
Yeah, they selling this thing off.
Yeah. I love it. I'm glad the volatility's back in the building, man. VIX is back up to 70. Hey, I hope you got out of them gold shorts. Them gold longs. I told you this area was gonna be. I told you this area was gonna be deadly for gold. God. Hey, don't say you weren't warned. I told you. I said, hey.
Oh my
if you're
God.
in them gold loans, it might be time to get them out. You might want to get up out of here. Up at the 80, 81 level. It's time to go. Hopefully you cut up there though. Hopefully you got out.
Yeah, that's tough. Good job, Micaiah. Good job making that 2K on your PAs. Wash my combine, like eating on XFA. Let's go.
Coming.
Let's go, Micaiah. Damn, man, that was nuts. That was nuts.
Yeah, I think the Dow was telling the story much sooner than NQ was telling the story. NQ finally got on board, and it's rewarding all those that held.
Facts.
I got a little chunk of it, but I mean, I when I say I got a chunk, I think I got 80 points out of that thing. 90 points.
That's a nice little chunk. Shoot.
Yeah, I caught a nice. It got me back green on the day. It recovered my stupid decisions inside of that crazy consolidation.
Yeah,
I got in it. I got in at the 323 level on NQ, and I wrote it down to those lows down there. Maybe I should have held it, but I was happy to be back green, to be honest with you. What's up? What's up, Banks Pippi? Did you get in the longs and the shorts last night in London? They have micro Dow on Topstep X. Oh, it's on, baby. It's right, on, baby.
What?
They got micros on the Dow on Topstep.
I told you that. They added a whole bunch of micros.
Oh, I didn't know that they added Dow. I know you told me about gold and whatnot.
Yeah, they added a whole bunch. They added a whole bunch of new micros, which I don't know why they didn't have those to begin with, but
all right. So we're approaching for my NQ traders out there, we're approaching a very key level for me for potential long opportunities. The aggressive manner in which we came down here doesn't feel like the market's going to care about this level, but this is the key. This is one of the first key levels from a macro perspective, right? Like this is one of the first areas that the market is going to need to hold in order to remain bullish. But with that current news, let me finish. With that current news, no, this shit's going down. I was gonna say, with the current news that we have, right? You can see the stock market is reacting to that news, right? ES is down a whopping 60 points. I haven't seen ES sell off 60 points for a whole, like before lunch, in a very long time. And that makes me very excited because I actually love trading ES. I just could not trade it in the current lack of volatility state it was in. But if the VIX is going to continue to push up to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, you're not going to see me trade NQ a lot. I can tell you guys that right now. I prefer, just like Justin, to trade ES because of the tape reading ability, right, on ES. But we moved away from it because it just wasn't moving. This is what we're used to seeing out of ES. 70, 100, 120, 130 point days out of ES. And right now, ES is not disappointing. If you guys here, let me give my baby some love because I never left ES. You know what I'm saying? I was always about ES. You know what I'm saying?
These are all lies. You can check the tape.
These are all lies. You can check the tape. Yeah, but ES is down. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy. Hey, that baby looking good, ain't she? We told Justin, why you leave ES, bro? What are you doing?
I hate each and every single one of y'all.
Yeah, let me put this ES Bookmap on, right? Like, let me move over to ES, bro. I don't know what. Justin,
whatever.
Stay over there with NQ, bro. We don't know what's wrong with you, bro. You're tripping.
Yeah, and then tomorrow when ES moves all of like 3 points, y'all be right over back on NQ talking about, yeah, we never left. We love NQ. Yeah. See, this is why I hate ES. It don't ever want to move. It wants to stay still the entire day.
Yo, somebody bring me Jonah. Jonah better be printing on this shit. As bearish as he's been.
Yeah, this was the perfect opportunity. Dang. Bruh. The past 30 minutes, we moved like 163 points. Thank you. In 30 minutes? Good Lord. Oh my God.
Nasty style.
Yeah. This is one of them days. It's one of them days. The crazy thing is like they haven't even faked out the long, like other than that consolidation that we had, this drop. I mean, if you're getting long in this drop right now, I don't know what you're doing. Like,
oh Jesus. Yeah, no, you should definitely not be looking at longs in this drop. This thing is straight down. But you see what I'm saying, Valdez? If you look at ES's tape, how much cleaner it is, it's always been much cleaner. It's just like I said, the volatility just wasn't there for ES. So like for me, it was like, I don't give a fuck what ES tape look like. If you're not gonna move, I don't care. But if ES gets to moving, then to me, it's a much better instrument or much cleaner instrument to trade for order flow traders. right?
Yeah, it's
And I'm an order flow trader. Like I'm at my very core, I like to read order flow, and I can read the order flow on ES much easier than I can read the order flow on NQ. All right, we're at that super duper quadruple quintuple bottom down here for ES. We'll see what happens. Yeah, that's right. I'm commentating ES right now. Screw you guys.
Sell like Cartman. Screw you guys, I'm going home.
Screw you guys, I'm going home. Same thing on NQ. I believe we are entering into a very key level. Let me switch back to NQ. I just wanted to get some charting. The 4 hour over here is what I was charting on Topstep X. So this is a very nice area to look to long this market. El Marte.
No, definitely can't short this.
I mean, you can. You're physically able to. I would not advise, but you know, hey. I mean, this could just be the middle. Though. Jeez. I mean, if we have a 100-point day on ES, that's gonna make me feel so good, so good. Yeah, NQ's doing the same thing. I mean, the selling doesn't look like it's done. Like, if Nvidia is gonna have bad earnings, I feel like they're gonna dump this thing back to like the 600 level, and that's gonna make me feel so good.
Jesus, I'm just watching ES's tape. The sweeps are nuts. Here comes some buying though.
Damn, gold! Shit!
The gold just rally back up.
No, it did
dumping.
not. This thing is right back to that entry. I looked up at the screen. I said, "No way, that shit says 2365." Yeah, straight plus. It's amazing how one tech stock changes the entire dynamic of the market. Not of the like one particular entity. No, this thing changed the dynamic of the entire market. But I guess it makes sense because it changed the dynamic of the market when it rallied. So, and the VIX is continuing its push. We're at almost 16 on VIX. So I don't think this is over. This may cause an all-day sell-off, to be honest with you guys. Even though ES is down, I can't even believe I'm saying this. It sounds so crazy. 65 points on the day. This is crazy. Like I haven't seen ES do this before lunch in a very, very, very long time. This is very impressive. It makes me feel really good to see ES sell off like this. Ding, 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 ding. It's a waterfall, right? Yeah, it came. That boy came down. What was that you said about them damn the macros at this time? Did you say these are supposed to be scalps? Shit. Don't look like no scalp to me. This thing looked like the macro that brought the house down, Yvonne. Jeez. This thing brought the house down. And there's nothing to do now but wait for pullbacks or trade the longs back up. Because this thing is continuing to sell off. Up,
Jono, why you come in here sounding depressed?
Yeah, I was talking. I was just texting him. Like the whole everybody caught the shorts. Me and Justin caught them at the top, but we didn't hold them. And then I was trying to long on that little consolidation we were getting, because I did the same thing you did, Joe. At first, I was like previous day. The previous day high break and retest. I said this is probably the longs. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna try to test these longs up here. Smoke. Then I was like, all right, well, if we're not gonna go long and we're gonna break this level, then I'm gonna just wait till we pull back and then I'm gonna get into shorts. So I got into shorts at like 73. Justin got in at like 85. Like he was at the top, right? So I think Valdez got in and then he added to his position. And then it came down a little more. I sold, Justin sold, and then Michelle got in, and then Valdez added to his position. So when it finally dumped, I just jumped into the momentum at 23 and wrote it down for like 90 points. I was like, all right, I'm out. And it ended up flushing for like another 100. So, but ES was trying to warn us, and Justin was telling us about it. But ES was trying to either warn us or it just hadn't caught up with NQ. But yeah, now we know ES was trying to tell us the story because that whole time NQ was on demon time, what we call it. ES was just going straight down, bro. ES sold off from the high 62 points and counting. And it's not even lunchtime yet. Well, I think it was a news break. Justin said something about NVIDIA got news. Yeah, Justin said something about NVIDIA's news earnings won't be that good. So the market reacted to that. And boy, NVIDIA is coming down. That's what I said. I said it's funny how one stock was able to change the dynamic of the entire stock market, like in entirety. Nothing. And here comes gold right back up. Oh, you long previous day low. Okay. So you got in. Ooh, yeah, you got lucky, boy. See what previous day low is? You was a brave. You were a brave soul longing at previous day low. I said, wait, what? Bro, what? Bro, look at this. Shit. Look at this. Look at this bounce at previous day low, Justin. He got it.
I saw it.
That man got out. He got in. Bro, I'm looking at these 3 candles on the 1 minute, bro. Like, where did you get in? I thought you said previous day high. He said, yeah, I'm done. Oh boy, yeah, you got lucky, bro. Dang. But it was a nice pullback. Honestly, it was about 40 points, but damn. Yeah, I got low in previous day low. Wait, what? Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe, but this. I think Nvidia. I think the Nvidia news was a trip though. Like the market wasn't expecting that, and when the market doesn't expect something, this is what we get. We get these massive sell-offs because the market did not expect Nvidia to. I mean, at some point they knew Nvidia had to say, "Hey, man, we can't keep meeting these expectations." At some point, right? You know what I mean? Like, bro, like we cannot go to $3 trillion, $4 trillion, right out the gate. Like, let us make some more money first. So,
Yeah.
I mean, bro, trust me. Bro, I need this thing to flush. Are you still in these shorts about this? Or are you in the runners? Facts. That's where I'm at. I'm like, yo, just let this thing keep flushing. Yeah. Let's go. Yep. Yeah. Well, when the week I was about to say the week he been having, he like, yeah, no. It's so hard to like maneuver. Okay, there. He has been selling off so much, like it's hard to maneuver the tape. I like this consolidation here at the lows that we're getting to potentially take this market back up. at least 50% of this move's got to be. I mean, you would assume that 50% of this move's got to come back. I didn't even know. Justin told me.
It must be a war.
Yeah, Justin told us. We was like, what? I said, oh, it's time to get short. I don't care.
Yeah.
I said, this is fear. Bro, I got in at 2-3 and caught a 90-point body. Here comes a consolidation on ES. I think Justin's probably long here. This is your setup right here.
Yeah, I am long.
Yeah, I was about to say, this is Justin. This is Justin's bread and butter right here on ES.
Well, there also was a large seller that came in, and we're above him now. So I'm hoping to put pressure on this guy.
Yeah.
It was like 1,296 lots that came in at was 52.11. So if we can just get above him and stay above him, either he was getting out of his short, or he's and somebody got into longs right there, or he got in short and he's gonna be in pain. So that's what I'm playing off of.
Yeah. I like it. I think we sold off enough where the market, might find some value here. Bro, that shit was hilarious. That man said I carry it off the bounce the previous day low. I said, what? I had to go look at the chart. I said, let me see.
I saw that bounce. I saw that bounce, and I was like, yeah, I'm not taking that. No, no way, Jose.
Oh my God. I said, no, wait, what?
Jose. I mean, I think that's the right move, but just not right there.
Today it didn't work. It did not work. Not today. Yo, ES is so clean. Let's go, ES.
Yeah, it's starting to make its move. I'm up about 6 points for my entry. I got in at 511.50.
Damn, 52.11? 50?
Or 52.11, yeah, sorry. What'd I say? 511.50?
Yeah. He just get the two all together. Like that shit.
It's because I'm so used to talking NQ.
I was like, what I say? What exactly did I say?
Yeah. No, I traded NQ. I got short up at the high.
We both came over to ES today once we saw it move 60 points. I was like, oh, it's time to go trade ES today, baby. Time to come back up. Yeah, 100%. I'm not going to join into the move.
I mean, hell, you could have, honestly. Funny enough.
I did join in the move on the
NQ.
I got 90 points on a momentum trade. Like,
no, I know.
Oh, this thing is sending. Are you in a full mini?
No, I'm just in 5 micros.
Nah, fuck that, bro. You got to trade a mini. Yes.
Nah. I mean, if I hit my profit target, that's
52.14. But I saw it late though. I'm already locked in for 300. Let's go. All right, locking that in right there. Oh, it's so easy to lock in profit on ES that don't jump back 30 points. Oh, this feels so good. Feels so good. I missed you, ES. I'm so sorry I left. I'm sorry I left you, ES. I'm so sorry. What was I thinking? I know I should have left you. I knew it, stupid Jonah. Stupid Jonah came into the Discord and made me trade.
He said stupid Jonah came into the Discord so made me trade NQ.
Discord made me trade NQ.
Yeah, NQ gotta be moving nicely too. Yeah, NQ moving up nicely.
Let's go, yes.
Yeah, that's 10 points right there for your boy.
Let's go, Justin.
I'm going for 20. I'm going for 20 though. I think we can get back up.
Yeah, you know how you get. Lock in something.
I'm at break even right now.
Yeah, fuck that. I ain't giving back all that. My entry's not as good as yours. I'm not going to break even.
We got a nice rejection on
Hey, we cool with that. We 50 bucks a point over here, baby. Don't need that much. Don't be dissing my baby, bro. You shut up. Shut up right now.
Don't be dissing my baby.
Shut your pothole. You literally asked for it. You said, I was bullshit, man. Nobody want that shit. Gross. Who was that? Bert.
Scared as hell. 134. What?
What's your time in sales at, Justin?
What do you mean?
Minimum.
Oh, 100.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see if we can hold this high right here at 528. That'd be great. Nope. All right, I'm about to get stopped out for 7 points. Come on. Oh, okay, yes.
Show them who you are. Yes, be out here. Show it, pulling some weight out here, baby.
Okay, yes. Oh, no, yes, come on. Bring your ass right back up. There you go.
All that liquidity we just put underneath this, bro. I ain't worried about this trade. I ain't worried about this thing. Oh,
yeah.
I'm risking my profits on the day, so either way, it go out in the day green.
Yeah, I'm gonna end the day green as well. I was I did take one early entry and got stopped out, but then I got right back in.
Let me guess.
Hmm.
Let me guess.
What?
You got in at 11:50.
Oh, really?
Or 11:45. Which one?
All right, I'm locking in the 2-1 right there. I got in. I think I got in at when I get in. I got in closer to the bottom. I was only risking all right, I got stopped out right there. I was only risking 4 points, so I was in pretty early. I think I got in around 52, 10, 75 or something like that. I wasn't risking that much.
Gotcha.
ES moves a lot slower, so
That's true. All
right, but I just got stopped out there, so I got my profit back. So actually made more money. All right, yeah, it's locked in the 2-1. Not mad at that at all.
Hey, that's a 4-1 on the day, baby. 2 2-1s equals a 4-1. VIX is coming down. Get down, girl. Also, the VIX correlates much better with ES than it does with EQ. Because it's meant it actually. I did a lot of research on the VIX. I don't know if you guys watched that video, but it was a really good video. If you want to see why we read the markets the way we do using the other confluences. Shout out to Powell. He made me make that video.
Appreciate it, John Wicks. He said, yo, I fuck with y'all vibes. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
What's up, John Wicks?
I like your name too, John Wicks.
I love that. That's like Banks Pippy. John Wicks. I like that.
Malcolm says, we haven't seen you in a minute. Malcolm, what's good? He says, hi guys, NVIDIA news is a catalyst for other technical factors. Look at the weekly and daily time frame for wick fill and fib retracement into the neckline support.
Yeah. I mean, we talked about that this morning, Malcolm. We talked about the weekly and the daily candles being extremely bullish. I'm still extremely bullish on the market. Like I said, until we in BBC Wicks. What's this? What is happening? What is happening right now? What is happening right now, Joe? Bro, what do you want me to do? I'm reading the comments. That's what he wrote. He said, I read everything, bro. If it's on the comments, you're right. If it's on the comments, I'm gonna read that junk. And then I'll say it out loud and be like, what did I just read? What just happened?
What I want to know is who is Diego RAR 47232442? How do you respond to him? We didn't see him come up.
I think that's his ad. That's what it says right there. John Wick. It says at Diego R 47232 442.
Oh.
I'm BBC Wicks. I think that's his Twitter ad.
That's his Twitter ad?
I don't know. Justin, I'm just reading the screen, okay? I don't know. Stop
Wait.
Stop putting me under the spotlight and questioning
Wait,
me.
I'm so confused. Wait, wait. Just slow it down for a second and just read that one more time.
At Diego R 472 32 442. I'm BBC Wits.
Bro, how many times is he go? How many times is he gonna read this?
What is it saying? Justin obviously knows something.
I really don't know anything. But John Wicks, if you could explain why you have that, that'd be great. I just wanted to have to read it again because I thought it was funny. But
Justin, can you read it, dude?
No, I'm not gonna read it. I'm not gonna read it. I'm good.
Oh, let's go, ES. Let's go, ES.
Pump it. Of course, again.
Bro, I'm not selling this. As much as we sold off, this thing's coming back up. That's why I said all that liquidity underneath this. I'm not. Yeah, I'm cool with that, bro.
I took my 2 though.
I'm riding with the ES. The ES gang.
Yeah. The liquidity is just so much easier to read over here.
Mm-hmm. And it gives me time to think. I'm not rethinking NQ. I just told you. You know what? I don't care what you say, Jonah. You the one that got me over here on this headache instrument. Hey, but what you know what? Hey, Jonah, you know what Valdez didn't tell you why he over here touting NQ. What he didn't tell you was before he hit that trade, you know what he said? He said, man, it's time to start looking at other instruments, yo.
What? Wait.
Oh wait, so wait. So y'all just anti-ES.
They are anti-ES.
He ain't say ES. Don't matter what he look at.
James, I am not a perv. Hey, Hobbs, can you do me a favor? Can you go ahead and read this comment out loud for me, please? Can you go ahead and read that out loud, please?
I will not read that.
Can you read that out loud, please?
Why does Justin want me to read everything? You read it.
Can you read that one? I think this is what he was talking about. I think he was talking to this Diego. He had to be right because it's Diego AR.
Diego Arujo says, I want to slap Kamala Harris's ass. I don't know where that's coming from. I thought we were talking about trading. I have no idea what. I don't know what's happening right now.
Diego is on demon time. That's the true demon. That's the true demon. That's hilarious. What is going on, Diego?
What do you say now? Where the hose at? What is happening?
Oh,
where does he think he is? Diego must have just got out the club somewhere. He like, hey, where the hose at? Hey, YouTube, right? Y'all do it right on YouTube, right? Get the trader shop, right?
That is hilarious.
Shop for the traders, right? Where the hose at?
Hey,
you need to quit.
Shay, what is going on? We turned the club Shay around here. My friend sent in the vibes. I love it. Ha ha ha.
My Deca millionaire trading mentor would make me do orgies and stuff with him.
What?
Yo, where are we? I stopped to focus on trading.
What is going on? What is going on? Oh my god. I'm already out.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out at the close of this 15 minute. I'm locking in 7 points right here. I'm locking in about 8 points on ES right there. So either way it goes, I'm good to go.
Diego, we're gonna need you to chill, bro. You're gonna have to chill out.
All right, I'm out right there.
Ooh, look at that seller.
Yeah, big seller just came into the market right there. Good sell. I basically sold the top. 10 points on ES.
1,054 lots. He said, I got autism and I'm 20. What? What is going on? Oh my god.
All right, we're done with Diego. Diego's somewhere else. I don't know where he think he at, but we're done with Diego. Moving on. All right, so NQ tap back into the previous day low retest right here. Looking like it could potentially reject. However, we did switch character right above. We got it back above 213 right here. which means that the market is in bullish character, although we're in bearish character overall. So if we just look here at the potential point of origin right here, right? All right, so this is the point of origin where the low came from, this yellow box right here, right? That's our yellow box, right? That's where point of origin is. However, what we want to see is we want to see price push back into 50% of this or sweep down one more time, right? And that way we get the inverse head and shoulders that we love to see. So we want to see something like this come into the market in Q. So we want to see this push down, right? Which is what we got. And then a push back up or sweep back down. Or what the market could be doing is counting this as the initial sweep, right? This is maybe the first tap, second tap, the sweep above the scalp, right? And then we pushed in, pushed the back above this high right here. Therefore, we should be coming back up or coming back down to retest this previous high and previous low right here. So I'd be looking for a retest of 18,190 to take the market long on NQ. For ES, never mind, nobody cares. I'll just look at it for myself. But ES was a clean 10 points. I'm not gonna be mad at that at all. That was beautiful.
Yeah, ES was very, very clean.
It was beautiful. I had no stress in that trade whatsoever.
Yeah, I didn't get as high as I wanted it to, but yeah, I nabbed 8
think it
points.
still may go. I would rather catch it back at the top and short it back down with the trend. We're just so low that I don't know if we're gonna come back up to where I want us to go for me to short the market. Right? Like I want us to come all the way back up to like 46.
Yeah, NQ just tapped back into 50% really nicely, a little 50% area.
Yep.
Where Jonah took his long.
You see, it came for you, coming for you, bro.
Hey, it worked. Hey, it worked out.
Money,
you know what I'm saying?
hey, money is money, baby. Green is green,
out.
baby. Nah, I wouldn't either, man. I think.
Oh Lord,
I think with the volatility in which we came down, I think a bounce. I think you were right to look for a bounce or trade the momentum, right? If you wanted to trade it, those are your. Yeah, bro. When Justin said Nvidia, I said Nvidia. Oh, sell. Sell. It's time to get short right now, and it's all momentum. I wasn't red on the trade at all when I got in. I was like, yeah, this thing's coming down. We're at least going to come down about 100 points. Because if Nvidia starts to sell, exactly. That was unexpected volatility for me. Yeah, once we got it, I was like, oh, okay, all right.
Good work, Mike. Good work. Up a rack on XFA. I'm gonna call it. Let's go. James,
yeah, nice.
James says, "What do you guys think about having partners who also trade?" I think it's dope. My wife doesn't trade. She watched the stream. Like she be lurking, but yeah, she doesn't really trade. But Cheyenne Hobbs, she becoming a little trader over here, buying everything up.
Though. She's not necessarily a trader. I think she's more of an investor.
What kind of trading style? Supply and demand, and structure. Custom Barbecue says, okay, it's my Friday, heading to work. Have a great day. You too, Custom. You too. Good Lord. And Shay says, I don't trade, but I've been investing in stocks. You don't trade yet. Pretty soon it's gonna be different.
Nah, she more of a seller than me. She'd be like, I'm out. I'm up $20 today, babe. Done trading. Okay. All right.
Until that one time she accidentally buys a mini and is up like 300.
Hold on. My wife needs me. I'll be right back.
Trading is too stressful. Yeah, it is stressful. Yeah, yes, still going. Yeah, ES just held its previous highs, continuing to rally. Oh my God, Diego, you are nuts. You are nuts. Yeah, we're holding every single previous high. This thing is going. Damn, oh my God. I'm gonna look back and review ES and NQ today and be like, bro, my profit targets got smashed and I just didn't hold on. I just didn't hold. I took the 2-1, but I would have. I wasn't at the bottom.
No,
I wasn't at the bottom.
No, yes, no.
Yeah, I was green.
Baby, I thought you were home. You're at work. You want me to drive to work and bring you that? Is that what you want? Drive me to your job? I didn't went out to the I went all the way to the bedroom calling her name and stuff. I'm like, man, what's up? What is happening? Well, Diego, you gotta go. I'm gonna need you to chill, bro. I'm gonna need you to chill with the perv. Oh, they're serious not. Down there. I knew they was coming back up. But
look at Vix. Oh,
yeah, it's jumping. I knew he was coming back up. We got to. Ain't no way we gonna stay down there. You want me to bring that to your job, babe? Can you hear me?
She said yes.
Oh, okay. She can't talk. She's probably on the phone. Oh, Jay. Oh,
I know. We let another one go, bro. Another one.
We let him off the hook.
What another trade though, bro.
That's okay. Hey, Jay, it's okay, man. Like we are slowly working ourselves into Plus, I mean, you did what you came to do, bro. You secured the 2-1. Yeah, I mean, if it rallies another 30 points, 40 points, it is what it is. We traded it really well. Don't say that. If it rallies another 30 to 40 points, I'm gonna cry. On ES, 30 to 40 points, I'm gonna cry. We're still in bearish trend. So if it rallies 30 or 40 points, just look to short it back down. That's facts. I mean, like, you can get the same money. Doesn't matter how you get it. You managed your trade well. You did what you wanted to do. You extracted money from the market. Be happy with that. Right?
Oh,
like
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I'm excited about today because I turned a $300 negative day into a $600 and something positive day, but not because I traded like I was trying to just get everything. Like, no, I still took very nice trades, right? You took excellent trades today, bro. And you managed your risks to fit what you are working on. You're working on getting quality trades and taking profits, right? If that looks like a 2-1 to you or a 1-1, so be it. Until you get to the point where you feel more comfortable holding, just don't even worry about it, brother. You're trading really well today.
It definitely has been a good trading day.
Yeah, I thought you were home because you said, "Can I bring it to you when you get done?" I thought you meant like get up, walk, grab it, and then bring it to you because you weren't feeling well because you was in bed. You talking about you want me to drive all the way to Wichita? Oh God! Dang. I love my wife. 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 Yeah. Tell the story right now. He said, "I will not be driving to Wichita for my fiance." Let's go NQ. The mother loving. Hey, can we just stop and value the boom boom box for a second, guys? Void, if you don't know about the boom boom box, let me tell you. Every time Void comes on the show and he sees my green box, he be like, "Boom boom box going long." Every time he see this boom boom box, this thing reacts to price beautifully. And what the boom boom box is really, it's just a demand zone. That's all. This is the low that brought us this high right here, right? And I said that this was a very large demand zone, right? But it's definitely bringing us beautiful price action down here. And maybe that was just a flash crash.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely very bullish that we got below the low and then we
immediately brought it back up. Yeah, sure, NVIDIA. I mean, hold on. Hey, man, they lying, bro. They buy that shit up, bro. Buy that shit back up, bro.
Okay, Michael. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. Because they needed your liquidity when you decided to go long, to go just a little bit more short. They needed it. Oh my, bruh. GC bounces right in my demand. Oh.
Don't feel bad, bro. It's been bouncing in my demand zone all day long. Look at this yellow box. I drew this yellow box last night before I went to bed. I was like, all right. I said, if it's going to do anything, it's going to bounce here. And look how many times we bounced inside his butt. Bro, I hate you so much for writing that in the chat. I hate you so much.
I saw it.
I was so mad. I was like, I just want to shoot Jonah right now. Like, I said, I'm glad he's starting to put his comments in the Discord so everybody can see how mean he is. Right? Like, and he does it in such a slick manner. He said, what? So he said, so now you go to short the market highs? That's what you trying to do? So you're not going long the market at 9:30 like you said you're gonna do, huh? And it's like, instead of saying all of that, he just write 9:30 long. Like, I just want to shoot him. I just want to go through the Discord and be like, somebody bring me Jonah so I can shoot him, because I know what he's trying to say right now. I know exactly what he's trying to say. What he's saying is, so all that shit you talked about gold going long at 9:30, it's 9:30, and the thing is rallying, and you're like, let me short it back down. That's what I told my wife. Look, I stepped out of the office. I got done trading. I stepped out. She's like, catch anything? I told her, I said, I didn't even trade. She said, I heard you saying that you were short. I don't want to talk about that trade. I said, that wasn't me trading. I said, yeah, I took that trade. It was a break-even trade. It didn't go anywhere because the Bulls rallied right back up. Bro, I was up like 7 points. And I went to go check on the kids. Hey, what y'all working on, man? Y'all got some, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get away from the charts. You're like, I got it like that, you know? I come back. Market's like, I was up 700 before I left. I came back. The check was up $50. I said, get my damn money. Get my damn money. I couldn't believe it, bro. I was like, yo, like, see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, Justin? Bro, it would have hurt my soul, bro. Hurt my soul. I just felt like there was no, bro. Listen, at 9:30, I looked at the chart. I said, "There's no way I'm long in gold up way up here. Like, we have to come down, right? Like, it just makes sense." 9:30, zip. I said, "You got to be fucking kidding me." They have no chill, and then they came back down when I got mad and left. Right, 10 o'clock. That was the bottom. 23.58 bottoms. Market never came back to that level. Rally. I told my wife this morning, I said, you know what? I said, if I was going to get long, when I got stopped out of my longs, I said, I should go back. When I got stopped out of my shorts, I said, I should just get in long at 23.60. And I was like, what would my target be? I was like, well, if we're not going to break down, then we need to push above the all-time high of 72, which means we're probably going to rally up to about 80, 84. This is the conversation I had with my wife when she woke up this morning. I know she'd be sick of this shit. But I said, you want to know what gold is right now? She said, 80, 84. I said, yeah, it's at freaking 84 right now. Yeah, to be my wife has to suck because we wake up every morning talking about trading. Was down negative 1,200, now up 1,200 on call it a day. Yeah, James, that's a really good idea. Good idea. He do realize I can hear him, right? Yeah, I hear you, baby. I love you, though. So what's your strat, basically? I don't necessarily do strategy. More so it's just following structure, if that makes sense. So the way Justin and I trade, we're supply and demand traders at our core, right? We also read order flow, i.e. Bookmap, right? We use macro. Well, I use macro for time. Right. I also use settlement price for targets. And then mostly I just follow structure. So whatever structure is telling me to do based off higher time frame demands or supply zones, everybody that's in my Discord, I never teach them. I'm gonna take it back. I teach them a strategy, but it's only once they understand structure. And most of them don't care for my strategies anyway, to be honest with you. Everybody trades the way they want to trade, which I'm super cool with. Right. So like nobody, every time I give a strategy, everybody's like, shut up. Why don't I just trade the way I want to trade? All right,
I'm
cool,
laughing
man.
at your wife. She said, we don't talk about the market. You wake up talking about the market. Caught.
Well,
Damn, put your business out on 4K Front Street high definition. We don't talk about the market. You wake up talking about the market.
Justin, you act like that was like you act like anybody interpreted that as we talking about the market. I would 100% agree that I talk about the market and she listens to me.
Yeah, no, it was just the way she said. It's just the way she capitalized we.
Yeah.
And you, I thought was pretty funny.
She 100% listens. When I say she listens, she's more like, I notice ain't you ain't even, because my wife, she wakes up a little on the later side, right? So when I get up, by the time she get up, I done already showered, brushed my teeth. I'm all jumpy and spry. Shut up, Justin. Don't look. Just don't look, bro. Don't look.
I can't.
I'm all jumpy and spry. She's just looking at me like, why do you have so much energy? Like, why? And I'm like, yeah. So let me tell you about the market, babe. Look at this trade that I took. I be showing her the phone all early. She ain't got her glasses on. She be like, and then she'd be like, well, did you take it? Did you win it? You know, stuff like that.
No. Did you take it? No.
And I walk away like, shut up. I'm going to talk to the boys. That's when I jump in the Discord. What's up, y'all? What y'all doing? Yeah. But I still trade all of those sessions. I just trade them responsibly, right? I trade them based off time now, as opposed to trading just like 8 or 6 o'clock. I'm right in front of the screen. Like, no. And when my alarms go off, it's optional for me, right? Like if Tokyo, I have an alarm at 9:10. 9:10, 9 o'clock, my alarm goes off. I go in and I don't even look at NQ. Like I don't even pull up the chart. I look directly at gold to see what gold is doing at 9:10. If it's in an area where I deem that I want to take a trade, then I'll take a trade. Yesterday I took a trade. I actually won on the trade, but I gave back 90% of the profits. But and then I have another alarm that I moved. It used to be at 2 o'clock London or 2 o'clock Eastern time. I moved it to 4:30 Eastern. So now I get up at my goal is to try to get up at 4:30 and trade not necessarily the beginning of London, but the start of New York. Like I'm trading the pre-market session before everybody gets into trades and all of that New York volatility comes in, and then trade the PM session of New York if the New York session doesn't provide a decent setup. So I'm still trading multiple times. I'm just doing it based off time more so than just sitting in front of the charts. I'm letting time set the appointment. And there's that previous day low rejection we just talked about at 18,251. Again, market's still in an uptrend. You can potentially expect, when I say uptrend, I mean this area here is uptrending, right? And you can expect price to potentially react to this previous high, previous low at 192. What you want to see if you're a bull is you want to see price either tap into 192.25, right, and go, or sweep 160 and immediately get bought up and then consolidate a little bit and then push out of this area. If you're a bear, which I mean you still should be, right? If you're a bear down here, what you want to see is exactly what you're seeing right now, is this rejection at the previous day low, right? You want to see this rejection. I would like to see price return maybe back into settlement price before I take it short again. Or I wanted to see 50% of this rally taken out, right? I wanted to see us come either back to the point of origin at 331. Previous day low is definitely acting as resistance, which I like. But I was hoping that we could get back on the other side of the previous day low and look to take it short from there. But see, Justin, look at that. Right back down 5 points. Don't feel bad.
Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm not at this point. There's nothing left for me to do all the day, so I'll just relax. Yeah, like smart money concepts. That is correct. Do you ever mark this
smart money concepts? Yeah,
do you ever just mark previous New York session low, high, not just previous day Globex high?
No, I always mark the New York session high and low. Previous day high. What you see on my screen is I mark the previous day high and the previous day low of the New York session only. So I start at 9:30. If you go back and look on the 15-minute, right here, all of my previous day highs and previous day lows, they come from the New York session only. So they start at 9:30. And then this daily fib, I mark it from the day prior, right? It's 50% of the overall day, not the session. It's 50% of the overall day. So I mark this every single day when I trade. And then I also mark higher time frame demand and supply zone. So that's how I break down.
I marked the previous day high and low of New York too, but if there's a level that reacts in the overnight session that also reacted in the day session, I'll definitely keep an eye on that. Like for instance, this level right here. Let me show you. This level right here, this area, you can see overnight. We bounced at it during New York, and then we bounced at it again overnight. And you can see today we're bouncing at it again. So I didn't actually have this level marked because I didn't really care to, but this would be something that I would be interested in because you can see the market reacted 2 times from it. Now it's reacting again. So that's the only way I'll mark an overnight level. But I'll keep overnight highs and lows in the back of my mind. So I mean, you can see it here again. Like look at this. This level. We bounced at it 3 times. This was a clear high in that range. This is actually the range that House was talking about this morning. And then look at when we got to it, look how many times we bounced at it before we finally broke below it. So these levels definitely do play a key role in the market. It's just for me, I need more than one tap.
YOLO up there?
Huh?
What's that like? Does that say YOLO in the yellow?
No, it says yesterday.
Oh, I thought that said YOLO. I was like, why is he like YOLO?
No.
Oh, okay. Trial and error, honestly. When I say trial and error, I mean, Justin and I's story is interesting. I started trading options and crypto, and Justin wasn't trading anything. And then him and I were friends, and I guess he started seeing some of the stuff I was posting on Facebook, or I don't know.
It was Facebook.
Yeah, I was posting some stuff on Facebook about like the gains I was making or whatever,
which was absolutely nuts.
Yeah, they were pretty ridiculous. So he hit me up and was like, "Yo, what the F are you doing?" And I was explaining to him about options. And
but no, you need to tell the story right. He was trading AMC. And I hit him up and I was like, bro, what are you doing? Because he posted some screenshot up like 30 bands. And I was like, bro, what? And I was
up like 70K or something like that. It was crazy.
But at the time it was like 30.
It was like 30. It started off with like 30 or something.
I hit him up. I was like, bro, what are you doing? He's like, oh, I'm in AMC. And I was like, oh yeah, I know about AMC. I thought he was investing in shares. So I just put it to bed. I was like, yeah, I ain't got the money for that right now. You have 30 bands. You got to be investing heavy into AMC. So he faded me. He was like, oh, all right, bro. Well, if it ain't for you, it's all good. Click.
I didn't fade you. Whatever. I just wasn't gonna fight it. I was like, all right, whatever. Like,
he didn't tell me what he was actually doing.
Was up like 30 or 70K, I would be digging deeper into it. I wouldn't be like, I can't do it.
I knew about stocks, so I just figured like, oh, he must have. Honestly, I was like, man, he probably got that PPP loan. He probably messing with the system. PPP I was like, I ain't getting that PPP
I'm black,
loan.
Right? Because I'm black, I had to hit a lick. I could just learn a skill. You see how he said it? You see how he said it? Yeah, he must have got that PPP loan.
I ain't mad about it. I ain't mad about it.
Hey, low key, I did get that joint.
Exactly. My point. So
I got about 10 racks out there.
I told you. So I let it go.
I did it off of, but yeah, go ahead.
I know, but I let it go, and then I saw he was up 70K. I said, now he said that black
crime though. Yeah, hating on him, brother.
I ain't hating on him. I just thought it was funny. So then I hit him back up because he was up even more. I said, you gotta tell me what the fuck you doing. I gotta know. I know.
I was a lot. Like I showed my wife, she couldn't even believe it.
He told me about the options, and we was off from there.
Yeah. So from there, once I cashed out of AMC, I think I cashed out at like 50K, something like that. I cashed out at like 70K, but then I quickly gave back like 20K to some other stupid option. I don't even remember what I was in, but I stayed in it for like a whole month, and I watched 20 grand go to like $200. Like every morning I would wake up, I'd be down like another 20-30%. I'm like, it's gonna come back up, right? It's gonna come back up. I had
The market only goes up.
I had no education whatsoever. The toilet paper people that Dave be talking about, I was definitely the toilet paper people. So then I took the no knowledge that I had and tried to teach Justin the no knowledge that I had, right? So this is how that process starts over. But Justin is one of those type of people, he's like a bookworm, right? So he needs more than just buy here, bro. Trust me, bro. Nah, I didn't need that much. The only thing I needed is the account going up or down. That's all I needed, right? Like for me, that was it. So,
I also think too, you had won so much.
I had won so much I didn't know how to lose.
Yeah, and for me, I started off losing. Like my very first option was an L. I was like, oh no, this ain't gonna work for me. There's got to be a better way.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was 100% that. It was. I started off winning so much. Like my daughter and I watched. We set a living room, and I actually. Hi, Jonah. My daughter and I, we sat in the living room and watched my first Tesla option go up. It was like my first $1,000 that I ever made trading option. And I was like so excited. I was hooked. So from there, I started kind of like teaching Justin, and he was just losing. He was losing so much. Every single trade he took, but Justin was also hard-headed. The same way he is now, I didn't realize how hard-headed he was back then because I didn't know him that well. But now that I look back on it, Justin was extremely hard-headed back then. Because I would tell him to do something, and he'd do what he wanted to do. Well, this one looks better. So I'm gonna take this option. I'm like, Justin, no, you gotta buy it. Well, yeah, it's all right. It's okay. It'll come back.
I also made the mistake of buying the wrong contract.
Yes,
I was buying because when you first start out with options, one thing I messed up on. I bought Friday options, and it was Friday, and I was supposed to buy the weekly option. Had I bought that weekly option, everything would have turned out okay. But it is what it is. Whatever. I did that a lot actually, where I was buying the same day expiries instead of buying the weekly expiries to give myself some more time. But yeah. But in any event, I started going down we basically started going down the rabbit hole of YouTube videos. Like we would be up till like 3:00 in the morning sending each other YouTube videos that we had been watching to try to get better. And eventually we ended up stumbling on Carmine Rosado, and that changed us over to supply and demand after trying support and resistance. We tried 1348. If y'all know 1348, they still around. Review Dork's still around.
We thought that was like the holy grail too.
Yeah, that was supposed to be the lick, was 1348. It was so easy, but really, it is what it is. Man, I remember there used to be days. There used to be the days where we used to watch Short the Vix's stream. Yeah, 1348 EMAs from I don't know who is that. Is that what Review Dork's name is? I don't know if that's. I don't know his actual name.
KC Team 2. I don't know. 1348 was we learned from Review Dork. We was paying $80 a month to be in this dude's Discord.
Yeah, that was only 1 month.
We were looking for all of these different signals and everything. We were the traditional route that everybody goes on, bro. Like $80 a month. We never paid for mentorships though. Justin would go to these like little group sessions. It was like $100. I was like, bro, I'm not going to that. Like, no.
Oh, that was with Yash.
That dude could trade though. He could trade.
Yash was cold.
But so moving forward in our timeline, and I love doing these because with the new people, you guys always want to know kind of how we got started. So from there, we went into crypto, and we got into crypto pretty heavy, like, or at least I did. Right, I got into crypto super heavy. I was in Saitama. I was in Dogecoin early. I was in Shiba Inu early, right? Like I turned 750 to like 10 grand on both Shiba and Doge. Cut it only to watch Doge go to like 63 cents when I was in when that thing had like 3 zeros in front of it, right? Like me and my brother had a bag in Doge, and we sold it when it went up just a little bit. We sold it before it even went to 1 penny. But then I got back in and sold it again when it went to 10 cents. And then I remember I went to go visit my mom for Mother's Day in Alabama. I was at a hotel, I was walking to go get me a Black and Mild, because I was still smoking back then. And I was watching, it was the SNL skit, you remember? Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I watched
that was a
Dogecoin go
horrible
to
day.
63 cents, bro. I almost cried, bro. I was like, oh my God, why did I hold? Bro, I'd have dumped the heck out of that junk. Because remember, this was pre-Saitama dump, right?
Yeah, it was way before.
Yeah, that was way before Saitama, right?
So
I didn't even know like the power of a rug pull, bro. Like I didn't find out about rug pulls and all that until I got into Saitama. Because I
don't think Doge could rug though. Doge was too.
Bro, that was a rug pull. That day was a rug pull.
I mean,
it might not have gone back to 2 pennies, but it was a rug pull because that thing it went from 73 because everybody was holding for $1.
Yeah, no, I remember because I was holding
so like that. Too. Yeah, that euphoria to get to $1 is what when people pulled the rug, everybody started selling. So fast forward,
it was Elon's fault.
I get into Saitama, and I'm telling Justin about Saitama, and again, Justin, he's so stubborn. He's the same. I was
no. I was not stubborn. If you remember, gas was stupid high. Remember, yes. And so you was like, I don't know if it's really worth buying Saitama when gas is this high because it was already kind of late. And then remember, you figured out a way to buy Saitama on Bitmart, and that's when I got into Saitama.
Yeah, so Justin got in. Look,
I got in real late.
I got Justin in like a week before the event.
Yeah. It was like a week before the event, and I feel bad. Like, I got somebody in the Saitama too.
Yeah, like 2
at the same time. And bruh, I would see him.
Bro, we didn't know what was going on, right? Like I didn't know. I thought I was still messing with just crypto, right? Yeah, we trade other commodities. We trade gold and all this other stuff. Let me finish my story, man. You asked for the origin. I'm gonna give you the origin. So we're in Saitama, Diego. You know, Valdez don't like to talk about nothing but trading when it's trading time. But Valdez up on the day, so you shut up. You good. You good. You good about Diego. So we're in Saitama. I think I got like $2,000 invested in Saitama. This thing goes up to like 20 racks. Like I'm up on Saitama. For me anyway, I don't need that much. I'm good. So I secure some bread, but then I get mad because the thing just starts selling. I'm to my dumping. I'm up like 10 racks. Justin, I feel sorry for. Oh my God.
I was never up on Saitama.
Yeah, he was never up. I think Justin bought, he was never green.
Like $100 on Saitama, maybe.
Yeah, right. Trust me, everybody that's filming that's been around long enough, y'all probably all got the same story. So, oh my God, ES is going nuts, right? So then we go and I start entering all of these. Twitter spaces that were talking about Saitama, and one particular person in general, my crypto journey, my boy to this day, Rodney Sorensen, look him up, my crypto journey. He was hating on Saitama so bad, and everybody hated him because there was billions. Saitama had went to $10 billion, a $10 billion market cap, which means that there were people who were up millions of dollars, and they weren't selling. They were, it's coming back. Oh, it's coming back. Rodney started doing all his research. He find out all this information and just start dumping. I mean, I don't think he single-handedly dumped the price. They did that all on their own. But Rodney was building a group of people that literally, it's go time right now, that literally was just becoming a full-on DJing community. And I would just like, come in. I'd be the only person with my full name on the screen. Remember that?
Bro, I still remember the day you sent Rodney the video of the State of Mask working, and he used it. This man called me so happy. He said, "Look, bro, this big YouTuber used my shit. This big YouTuber used my look at this.
I was so geeked, bro. I was so geeked, bro. I was so geeked because they don't. When you're an influencer, you don't realize when people watch you every day, especially when you're doing this. Like when we start making videos, you start being low key famous. Rodney was famous to me. Zach, Austin, like all these cats that became my friends, they were famous to me, right? So when I started going into Twitter Spaces and I started speaking, people really liked what I had to say because I articulated myself really well. I've been in the military for 13 years and I've just always been really well spoken in general, right? So Damn, that's a lot of liquidity. You see this liquidity coming in?
I'm just looking at this, about to hit my profit target like an hour later.
You know, it is. So
Yeah, nothing I can do about it.
fast forward, I start a crypto shop channel, right? I gain a bunch of subscribers on Twitter, YouTube. I bring up Justin because Justin is like the only person that I trust, right? I don't know none of these people in crypto. So I bring up Justin to be like a co-host because I noticed there's a lot of channels out there, but there weren't a lot of channels that were doing it with two people creating a dialogue, right? So Justin and I had already planned on making a channel called Two Bets, One Option, right? Where we were just going to trade options. It was a horrible name now I think about it. It sounded like Two Girls, One Cup. So
yeah.
So once I told him that, he was like, bet, let's do it. So we went and opened up a channel called The Crypto Shop. I got an LLC on that thing. It ran up to like 3,800 subscribers. You guys can go sub to it right now. Maybe one day I'll go over there and do some crypto TA. But I was trying to bring TA into crypto, which again, it works. However, like people are just so not accepting to it. Anyway, long story short, the entire time we were in crypto, we made a ton of money. Well, I did. Justin was, again, Mr. Hesitant. Justin, get into this project. I'll wait till it comes down. It's a little too high. Justin, this is crypto. It ain't coming back down. It'll come back down. Everything comes back down.
Yeah.
Bull Run, Justin. I told Justin
dead.
About Bull Run at 3 cents. I said, Justin, I'm buying a bag here at 3 cents. It's too high for me, man. I'll let it come back down. Justin, I'm telling you who's in this project. It's going up. The next day, 11 cents. Justin, buy at 11 cents. Well, no, I'm definitely not buying at 11 cents. Justin, it's going up. Next day, 30 cents. Next day, 60 cents. Justin, my $500 is at 7,000. Oh my God, I gotta buy some.
Yeah.
Justin gets in 68 cents. Dump.
Funny enough, I think I bought Bull Run with Bull Run's money, and I bought it at the top only for it to come down. But I didn't even care because I didn't use my own money to buy it, so it didn't really matter.
You bought it at the literal top because we got a sponsorship from them, and then you bought it at the top, and it was just like, zoop. I was like, Justin, you're so hard headed. You're so hard headed.
Give me money back.
But anyway, so back to the strategy. So from there, Justin and I had already been working behind the scenes with crypto and working on our technical analysis. Back then, we were supporting resistance traders. My charts looked totally different than they do right now. Totally different. I had every indicator, the 13 EMA, the 48 EMA, the 200 EMA, the 50 EMA, like VWAP, right? Like I had RSI, MACD. That's 7 indicators right there, right? I had everything. I had volume profile. Like I went through everything, right? Then we found a character by the name of Carmine Risotto, an influencer by the name of Carmine Risotto. Justin started bringing supply and demand and futures to the Discord. Well, we slowly started cleaning house in the Discord, so to speak. A lot of the crypto people started leaving, and those that truly wanted to learn how to be traders stayed around. So we started our journey from there, started going into futures, and from supply and demand, we met Dave, right? Dave teaches FX, came on the show. He saw us trading when we started the trader shop. We came back out about 6 months ago and we started this channel. And he saw what we were doing. And he was like, you guys trade supply and demand. You're right there. You just need to understand structure, not just supply and demand. He came on the channel. We watched a lot of his stuff for free. And then Dave is my dad. He left to get milk. Wait, Diego, Dave is your dad? No way. Anyway.
Oh, Lord. He left to get milk, meaning he not coming back, huh?
He not coming back? Yeah, so from there, we learned structure from Dave. Dave came on the channel. No hard feelings there, but Dave's just not my cup of tea outside of the trading stuff, right? All of that extra drama shit is just not something that I like. So I kind of like put myself over here. Dave's over there. He do his thing. I do my thing. But when it comes to what he's teaching, I 100% stand by learning structure first and then adding strategy to that. A lot of people, 90% of people that come into this market, they only learn strategy without learning structure first. He said Dave is too white. Yeah, I just don't. The thing that I don't like about Dave is that what he portrays online, right? to his followers and his Discord members, it doesn't feel like he's the same type of person offline, right? And the one thing about me is I like to mess with people that's even kill. Like, as much as Justin get on my nerve, I know what to expect from him all the time, right? He's the same person. He ain't gonna switch it up on me. None of that. And I'm cool with that. We may argue back and forth about how he is or how I am and vice versa, but at least I know what I'm getting from Justin. I do not like people that switch the game up. Like I don't like that shit. Right. So that's why, like, again, Dave do his thing, I do my thing. Like that's where we at with it.
We're going to 45.
Most people don't know price action. Yeah, price action, structure, fundamentals, time, all that stuff. You got to know it all. Do you have any videos on structure? Yeah, John, you in the Discord, right?
Yeah, he is. Yeah,
Yeah,
Discord.
Go to hashtag T Hobbs videos, and then there should be a video, like a short video based on structure. And if there isn't, if that's not enough, let me know specifically what you want me to teach. And anybody in the Discord, it's one of the premiums of the Discord, like I told you guys before. If you're in the Discord and you want me to drop a video that you want more clarity on, every Saturday I take all requests. You drop them in my DMs. If I got a request on Saturday, I'll make a couple of videos. So, and then I'll either put them in TA section or in T Hobbs video section of the Discord. So yeah, that video's in there for sure. Taking the info, all good. CJ with the Chief. You like me? I'm an asshat from day one. Exactly. I can deal with that. You know what I mean? Like, at least I know what to expect. Let me get the Discord link. No, it's not free. It's $40 a month.
You can get the Discord link for free, but you got to pay to get in. The link is free.
Yeah, the link is free. That's true. The link is free. You just got to pay for the rows. That's how a lot of people get you. But yeah, it's $15 for 1 week to try us out. If you like what you see, you can stick around, or it's $40 a month to rock with us, you know, on a monthly basis. But yeah, we do daily market reviews. We break down how to use Bookmap, what to look for in Bookmap. We do a lot. There's so many videos in there. It's absolutely ridiculous. I know I drop a market review every single day. So at least 5 days a week, we drop a market review video. I do a top-down market analysis on Sunday. And then every time that there's a subject that we discuss, I usually break it down in video form in full detail and drop that in the Discord there. So there's probably over 50 videos that I've done and me and Justin have done together, breaking down everything. We break down candle structure. We break down support, resistance, supply, demand, right? Bookmap, order flow, right? You name it. We're a community full of traders that are learning together, right? But Justin and I are the ones providing the community, right? So that's why we don't charge much right now, but the price will go up at some point, right? So, but it's a community. It's not really like a. I guess you could think of it like a mentorship, because we do offer mentorship, but we're all learning together, right? Let me get on the show. No. And you can teach my dumb stuff trading. No, you can get in the Discord. You can't get on the show. I don't know you like that, bro. I F with you, you know. I don't know you like that. We just met today. You have a plug for us for Bookmap? What you mean, like get it cheaper?
If you're gonna say the Bookmap trader who runs it on YouTube, that's the only plug I know.
Student teacher did. What are you talking about?
I like to be able to like manipulate Bookmap and like move it around, and plus they have a replay section too, which we use pretty often. So, but unless it's a plug for free, I'm your son from Tati. What? Yo, Diego crazy. Diego crazy.
Way cheaper.
Oh,
okay, yeah. Send that discount code, man.
Let us know, CJ. What's up?
Yeah, there's nothing for me to do up here while we're uptrending, guys. Like there hasn't been anything to do for quite some time. The uptrend is just returning back to, I think ES is returning back to 52.51, and that's where I'll look to short it. And then NQ looks to be returning back to that point of origin that we were discussing. So
look at the 90-minute. Oh my god.
On an NQ or ES?
Yes. I mean, it probably looks at my NQ.
Oh my goodness, this wick is disgusting.
Yeah, that went dirty.
Yeah, for me on NQ, I'd be looking for pullbacks in the 325 to short it back down, and then for ES, like I said, 52.51. That's what I was trying to hold for, but you know, me and Holden, we're having a piss poor relationship this week. to say the
Man,
least.
my God. Yeah, we hit my profit target. I'm upset.
Don't be upset. I mean, what you upset about?
I'm upset at myself.
Oh,
Being a
okay.
little
So
bitch.
that's okay. But the question is, are you gonna change it tomorrow? You know what I mean? Like it's something
Yeah, I
gonna
mean,
change tomorrow. You
I
know?
think, yeah, I mean, I think, I think, like seeing it hit my profit target
Over and
is,
over and over and
yeah,
over again.
is good to be like, all right, motherfucker, like you need to hold because clearly your profit targets are good. You just need to hold to them. So, like, okay, just hold to your profit targets. Like, you know, you can.
Yeah, and that's where I am this week. It's like I just feel like I just keep seeing my trades work out to the tick, right? It's just I'm so attached to the money, right? Like when
Yeah,
the money shows up, it's not that I'm even analyzing the trade anymore, right? Like I'm not even when I sell, it's not because I'm analyzing the trade any longer. It's because I don't want to give the money back. And technically, I'm
no,
not even giving the money back. I'm just allowing the trade to play out. But
that's true.
you know
That's
what I mean?
true.
Like it has nothing to
Right
do with the
there.
analysis. It has everything to do with the P&L,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
And that's what's screwing me over right now. Is I'm trading my P&L. I'm not trading price action or my analysis. That's what's been killing me this week. Is I'm allowing the P&L to dictate when I get out. I'm squeezing as much profit out of the trade. I'm trailing my stop. I'm doing all of these things that are relatable to scalping the market versus actually trading the market. So if I'm not trying to be a scalper, I gotta be able to just be a trader. You know what I mean? Like a longer term hold trader, because it's all scalps, right? So
yeah. No, I mean, I agree.
I'll hit you up on Twitter. I'm not in the Discord, but I rock with y'all, so I'll DM you. No, CJ, of course. You know, we never force people into the Discord, bro. Like if y'all want to hit me up, and this goes for anybody. If you got trading questions, right? You taking gold down? Good. Let's go. Let's go. Did you get in at the 80, Chicago?
Oh, dang.
That was the level. See, this is what I wanted to happen last night.
Yeah, gold completely reversed. We're back at that all-time high level now, so that's the level where we were bouncing from last night. So just be careful of this level we're at right now. But yeah, we had a we
Who's
didn't
the
get a
profitable loser? I don't know who that is.
I think that's Dave's guy.
Nah, I never watched him. Then let's do some more reviews of other instruments today. Let's look at YM or something. Join the Discord. Diego, you're not gonna have me out here giving you nuggets for free. Taking gold down.
YM pumping. How about that? Why?
YM pumping. How about that? Yeah, no, we give daily analysis. That's another premium of the Discord as well. If you guys have any charts that you want us to break down, we prefer to do them with you, but we do have a chart request section in the Discord as well. Right? If you request a chart and you just want to see us chart the chart and give you a plan for the chart, we give pre-market plans every single morning. Everything you see us do here in the morning, we give that out 30, 40 minutes. Sometimes I give it out at like 6 o'clock in the morning if we don't have news. But we show you how to make a plan. We show you how we chart. We break down every single thing that we do on YouTube, except we do it in thorough detail in the Discord. So that's what the premium is for the Discord. And if I give all of that away for free on YouTube, my Discord members will be like, why am I even here? So 2381 too. Oh, that was your entry? Dope. I told you, Chicago Sean. That was the high. That was the high. Yep. That was the high, brother. That was the high. Damn, you got a top. Shit. Yeah, that was a great entry on gold. Very nice. Very well done, sir. Very well done.
Oh, he
got a top. The top.
And you still holding?
Yeah, he riding that thing. Let's go. Yeah, you got it. Okay. I mean, like I said, Diego, it's not, I don't like to advertise the Discord so much as I like to just give out knowledge, right? So for those people that want to join the Discord, yeah, I'm going to let you know that we have one, right? But ultimately, like Justin and I are working on our journey. We're really good at what we do analysis wise, right? There's nobody in the no Diddy.
I hate you, Chicago. I hate you.
We're really good at what we do from an analysis standpoint, but we also understand and realize that we're a work in progress, right? So we're not going to charge a premium for our Discord when, yes, it does add value to your trading, but it's not where we think a premium price should be. When Justin and I reach our peak, that's when the Discord will also reach its peak in regards to pricing value. right now, $15 a week, $40 a month. That ain't outpricing nobody. If you can't afford $40 a month, you shouldn't be trading anyway, right? So, and there's multiple testimonials in there of people that have made enough money to pay for the Discord for the next 10 years, right? So it's all good.
Oh, and also, if you join now, you'll be locked into this price forever. Just saying. And we will raise prices. No Carmine.
I see what you did. No Carmine. Yeah, that's fact. That fucker said he gonna raise his prices forever. He finally raised it. I still don't agree. I'm like, bruh, you need to go to a monthly fee, bruh.
Yeah, monthly he doing it's a yearly.
That's why I said he need to go to a monthly. Which is,
no.
I mean, I see what you're saying. Okay, yeah.
You're doing a
right
yearly.
Here is on ES. This is 50% of this entire move. So this would be a really good area to look to potentially short this market. I'm liking what I'm seeing on ES here.
Yeah, that was a nice little candle right there. I ain't gonna lie. Nice little.
I just want to see us get below the structure here.
Oh, I like it too.
Yeah, that's why I was like,
I like it too.
I wanted to come up higher, but I'm definitely interested here.
We're also retesting VWAP as well. That was a VWAP projection, but I like what I just saw as well. I'm with you.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna front run this. I need to see us break below at least 33.50. I would prefer 31.75 to break, and then come back up and retest this area. Then I'll look to short it. Yeah, Jayhawk say Tama was crazy. Yeah, Justin was doubting him all along. He was never sold.
Well, I also watched that bullshit party they had in Vegas.
That suspect as hell.
I didn't even know who Jake was. I was watching Jake. He was drunk. Everybody was drunk. I was like, what is going on? I was like, I thought they was gonna have like professional camera crew covering everything.
Yeah, it had scam written all over it, bro.
Well, plus the crazy thing is that you had already told me that Say the Math wasn't coming out. That was the whole hype for the party. So I'm like, why are they still having this party? And then do you remember Tank what was his name? The boxer who boxed in the Saitama shorts. You remember that?
Oh yeah, that raggedy ass hat he had on.
yeah. It was what's his face? It was Floyd Mayweather's boy.
Yeah, I can't remember his name.
I can't remember his name. Oh,
was it? No.
Yeah, I can't remember his name, but it was funny because we were so hyped, man. Price did nothing.
Nothing. If anything, they dumped it some more. We was man. I was so green. Looking back on those times, I was so green in these market, like in the crypto market. Like it was funny because the more rooms I went to of people that's been doing this for a long time, they knew from the word jump that it was just buy and get out on Saitama, like buy, sell, bounce. I had to learn the hard way. You know what I mean? Like I made my money, but I never held too long. But I was just like, yeah, I can't hold this no more. Get my bread.
I will say though, like the one thing about crypto is I never had an emotional attachment to like any of the coins that I bought, and it's just crazy how
always bought too late. You were a very you love buying tops in crypto.
I
don't think you've ever bought one token at the right price except for Clear.
No, because we made some money off of what was that one coin we got into like super early.
He is definitely the tech savvy. 100%.
I am. What was that one coin we bought? The one that was
the one we were on DJ in time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We made a quick grand off that.
Yeah, that was nice. I miss those days, honestly. I miss crypto. If ETH wasn't so damn expensive, I'd get back in. I'm good. I still have that trash in my Trust wallet. I can't even sell it.
Well, Saitama's at what? Saitama's on like 3.0 now.
Bro, who knows, bro?
Yeah, the best thing about crypto though, the greatest thing about crypto was the sandstorm.
Oh my god, what a loser.
Oh, that was the best.
Such a loser, bro.
That was the best thing about crypto.
Rodney used to clown that man so much, and we both had him on our channel. One of these days, I'm gonna go back and watch that stream.
That was great.
He asked me, he said, "You sure you want me to come on here, man? Like, it's gonna cause a bunch of controversy." I was like, "With who?" I was like, I don't care about any of these people. Like, none of these people scare me in crypto. What are you talking about? Yeah, crypto was fun, man. I did enjoy it. It was just getting too toxic for me. The minute the money went away, everybody just bounced.
Oh yeah, yeah. It was there were some dark times in crypto. Everybody hated everybody. I just got 24 million shares of SHIB. It's 65% from all-time highs. YOLO. I mean, hey, if it go.
Bro, I told everybody last year when I ran the crypto shop, I said, I'm telling y'all right now, the level to get in on SHIB, was it 7 zeros? Was it 5076? Jayhawk, I used to say all the time. I like, if you want to buy SHIB, buy it at 5076. Let's look and see what SHIB did at that level. Let's see.
Probably
1, 2, 3, 4.
Did we ever get below that level?
I think we did a couple times, but we immediately bought it back up. Let's see. I'm gonna look at the daily right now. I'm gonna mark that level out. All
I know is anytime SHIB went crazy, Zach and Austin's channel would go nuts. They'd have like 2,000 people in their live. Like, it was crazy. Anytime SHIB did anything, man, their channels went crazy.
I even still have this level marked on my chart, bro. Look at 5076. This is the orange line right here. This is why I was telling everybody when I had my crypto shop channel. I said, look, if you want to get into SHIB, the level to buy it at is 5076. This is back in December of 2023. Look at this. Look how many times
nicely
we came to 5076. 1, 2. We dipped below it here. I was like 100% of buy on SHIB. Came back up, broke structure, came back down to 50% of that. And from that level, SHIB been out of here. Out of here. So even back then, TA definitely works on everything. It doesn't matter the instrument. Technical analysis and market structure works on everything. Notice I didn't say strategy works on everything. Technical analysis and market structure works on everything, right? If you understand market structure, there's no limit. The only thing that for me and Justin is we're not learning how to trade it. That's not the last step of our journey. It's not. We're way past understanding and knowing how to trade, right? I've eclipsed that multiple times now. That's not my problem. My problem now is conquering me. Right? Like, conquering myself is my last struggle, right? And I think that's the most important one, right? The one that takes you to being disciplined, the one that takes you to doing the same thing day in, day out, and then the one that says, okay, if this is the trader you want to be, you need to stick to being that trader, right? Stop trying to be, well, I'm just going to squeeze a little more, or I'm move my stop. That's not who I want to be. That's not, right? There's a trader in my shop. He's in here right now. Pippi. That's the trader I'm trying to be. I'm not trying to hold as long as Pippi, because that man, that boy can hold. But similar to what Pippi does is where I want to be, right? Like, I don't think that I can sleep well at night in a trade at the bottom, expecting it to go, even though last night would have worked again, right? At 53.60 on gold or 23.60 on gold, if I would have stayed in that trade or got into that trade and held it, my target would have been hit, no problem. That gives me confidence in my analysis. If my analysis is good and everything is working out the way that I'm playing, why am I selling? It's a me problem, right? I'm in my own way right now, right? When I walk away, when I put paper trays on, leave them there, don't touch them, they all work out. The common denominator for most traders, because I know I'm not just talking to myself, right? I know I'm not just talking about myself. The common denominator for most of us is us. You're the problem. Huh? I'm throwing subs your way. What I do? We talking about this?
He's talking about his YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I do need to. Man, hold up. Yeah, let me stop. Let me stop for a second. Oh, like low key shots. I got you.
Oh, subliminals. Oh, subliminals. Why did you say subliminals? Why did you have to?
Yeah,
What?
we are 9 p.m.
What is
9
you-
p.m. James. 9 from 8:30 to 9:30. 9:30 usually right on the dot. Something's gonna happen, right? Whether it be the short or long the market.
I thought it was.
It hasn't failed me yet. So, but while I'm at it, since my man did put that on my brain. I know that wasn't your intention, but I'm definitely gonna do it. Hold on. Let me load this up here. What's the name of your damn channel? The CEO Dez?
Yeah. Oh,
Shit,
it's
don't
not
come up. Let me just jump it. Yeah,
I think
yo
it's just
channel.
Dez, right?
That shit y'all sent me yesterday was absolutely hilarious.
Oh, you talking about the you talking about that the New Yorker dude going crazy? We can't hear you.
Watch this.
We can't hear you. We don't know what you just said.
I said when you're having a bad day, you should just watch this.
Oh yeah, CPN sent it to me, and then I was like, man, I've been there. I was like, let me send this out to everybody.
All right, hang on. All right, I found it. Copy, and then that shit had me dying. All right, guys.
Yeah.
There's 88 people in the building between Twitter and YouTube. Do me a favor. I'm gonna drop the link in the chat here. This is one of our Discord members. His name is Valdez. He used to be an avid watcher of the channel. Like he used to be in chat every day, just like you guys. And now, after joining the Discord, actually becoming a trader because he sucked before that. I'm just kidding. But
shots. That was not a subliminal. Yes. That was a straight up shot. He did not sneak this whatsoever.
He started his own journey on YouTube, sharing his daily losses, his daily wins, full transparency, right? He's coming out and he's recording. Yeah, he cooked up today, so he's about to drop another one today. But just another video. Go sub to his channel, right? I love watching raw traders trade, right? Like pause. I love watching traders trade with full transparency. Right? Yeah, I know.
Like raw traders. Raw traders.
Y'all could have seen just his face.
You like watching raw traders? Come on, man. And look at this market go. Come on, man.
Yo, I'm sorry. That was an accidental. I did not.
Yo.
And that's why we don't shorten that consolidation, bro. We let that junk ride.
Oh, facts.
That's why I do not short there, bro. I be like, nope. I already know what's gonna happen here.
I saw the reject. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need to see this. I was like, this is going below 52.31 before I get short.
Yep. I knew it. I was like, this is going up. I already know what it is. I said, I know exactly what this is. This is that inducement before we go up.
First off, I just want to note the fact that he's trying to slide on us right now. We ain't gonna let you slide on what you just said.
I want to talk about trading. I don't want to talk about this message you messing around.
No. We was talking about trading. You was talking about a raw trader. What you trying to do? Hey Diddy. Diddy, you trying to take him under your wing? You trying to give him a bottle, Diddy? What you trying to do?
Yo,
you trying to Diddy about it?
Y'all doing the most right now.
Hey, trying to Diddy him. Hey, I was about to take you on a yacht. He about to give you a bottle with some funny in it.
Yeah. All the big ones have done it. all the big influencers are doing it nowadays.
He said I can teach you how to go long, Valdez. You don't never gotta go sport again.
Yeah,
shut up.
How you think you got there, B? Think this is accidental? Nah, B.
Get him, CJ. Get him, CJ. Get him. Let him know.
Y'all doing the most.
Yeah, us. You said it. Whole.
I know what I meant.
Man, you
ultimately, go check out my man Dez on YouTube. Okay, that's all I was trying to say. Damn.
Yeah, cause he out here raw, but he get molded and folded.
What? What is Justice saying? Did he say I'm out here raw?
No. What? You said he out here raw And then I said, and you out here molding them and folding them.
Nah,
I ain't say nothing freaky.
I don't know. I don't know. We ain't letting you get away with this.
No.
Real
You can run the tape.
Real kiki shit just happened just now. I don't know what's going on.
See. Now he trying to deflect. Don't let him deflect, y'all. Don't let him.
Look. All I know is DS is damn near at 51 right now, and I'm trying to short the bejesus out of it when it comes up here.
Don't remind me.
Oh, trust me. My target was 45, so we're almost there.
Mine was 37 or 35. Mine was 35. We do got a 15-minute. We got 15 minute. You see the 15 minute at 55?
Yeah. What do you think I just said?
Okay. I thought. No. I thought that's why you were saying it, but I just wanted to make sure. I wanted to double check.
I didn't see it on the 15. I was watching. I had it marked out on the 5, but yeah, it looks much better on the 15. Either way it go, come on up here. 55, baby. Damn. Is my wife in here still?
He in a different mode today.
Hey,
in that mode.
I need you to look in the Discord anytime you're in the VC, and if you see that icon that says Shay Hobbs, I'm gonna need you not to be snitching, okay? Or else I'm gonna have to label you as such. All right?
She can see you, but she can see you. She been in the channel.
Yeah, but she ain't said nothing about it. But
I think she did.
Valdez clearly wanted to mention it.
I'm pretty sure somebody said something about you wearing red. Now I got to scroll up and see. We don't wake up talking about the market. You wake up talking about the market. Yeah, that's right.
That has nothing to do with red.
I know. I just wanted to read it again.
See, there you go. Thanks, Valdez. Just like that, she's in the chat.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
She's in the chat. Baby, you saw me put this t-shirt on this morning before you left.
It's not a hoodie.
And you were brushing your teeth. And I don't know. I like the stock. What do you want me to say?
You know what? It looked like you wearing a Jake from State Farm shirt right now.
I hate you so much. Shut up. Jake from State Farm shirt. Only Justin would think about that. Bro, speaking of, you know the guy that does the Allstate commercials, or the dude to be like, I'm Havoc, or I'm whatever it is, right?
I think so. Ain't that the dude from 24?
Well,
wait, Allstate.
Is it Allstate? The dude that be like, he'd be like, do this or you get terrorized. What's his name, baby?
Dennis Dexter Haysbert. He was the president on 24. Yes, I know him. Yes.
Let me see the picture. Let me make sure we're talking about the same person.
All right. And yes, I did Google Allstate commercial guy. This guy?
No, not him. Not the black dude. It's the is it Allstate, babe? What's the commercial with it? It's the white dude. He'd be like,
well, it definitely ain't State Farm.
It's not State Farm. It's another
he's from Law and Order SVU.
Yes. Bro, he was in the first season. Havoc insurance guy. Okay, here we go. It's what's the name?
Is it Ice Cube? No, or Ice T?
Dean Jared Winters.
Who?
Dean Jared Winters.
Oh, Dean Jared.
Mayhem in the series of Allstate. That's his name. His name is Mayhem in Allstate. The Allstate commercials.
I did say Ice T. Or I said Ice Cube, but I meant Ice T.
Bro, he was in
I always
first season of SVU. I was watching SVU because I told you I started watching it from the very beginning. He's Detective Cassidy. Yeah.
This guy?
Yeah, that's the Havoc dude. From you seen all the Allstate commercials, right?
He looked familiar.
Oh my God, Justin, you've been living under a rock. All right, hold on. Let me see.
I don't watch.
Yeah, he be blowing shit up. Bro,
he's on
everything. You don't have to watch TV. He's on YouTube. You don't have YouTube Premium, so I know he's on your YouTube.
Well, I'm watching. I've seen him. I've seen him. Seen what is it? Yeah, I've seen it.
So what about him? You ain't never seen this person, right?
You better not play that commercial. You better not play it.
You can't hear it. It's on my shit.
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah, I've seen the commercial. You about to get us demonetized out here. You better stop.
You ain't making no money from YouTube, fool. He's gonna demonetize you for pennies.
Hey, look, man. Every penny counts over here. You better stop.
Yeah.
Yes,
But
I've
anyway,
seen. Yes, I've
it was,
seen that guy.
it was-
Yes.
I mean, I had to go on this long, drawn out thing of showing you who the guy was. So you kind of killed
Okay.
the steam of the
I don't get where are we going with this?
I was just saying, you know what? I was just saying that I've been watching SVU Law and Order, and I didn't realize that we started from the very beginning. I didn't realize that he was in the first season of Law and Order. He was super skinny, and I heard his voice. I was like, "Hold up, is that the Allstate guy?" My wife was like, "Yeah, you didn't know he was on." I had no idea, but that's where they got him from. So,
Okay, so
oh God,
one question: Did he die? Does he die?
Why do you want people to be dead? You op? What do you mean? Did he die? What does he have to die for?
In the TV show? I don't know.
I don't know yet. I'm on season 1.
No, I'm not talking about in real life. Why would I?
Mm-hmm. I'm trading, but I'm watching ES. We're in between macros right now. So what I want to do is I want to have price or NQ push into. Yeah, so I want to have price push back into the origin that brought it here, or 50% of the high and low that brought it here, and that's why I'm fading settlement. So I'm looking at on NQ 326, and we're not there yet. So none of this price action it's irrelevant to me. We're in between macros. I'm not going to join into this uptrend. I'm more so looking to short the market, and I'm looking to short between 326 and roughly about 369 on NQ. On ES, it's kind of the same flavor, right? I'm just looking to short once we get into like 51, 55 area. So I think the market wants to go short. It's just taking a sweet ass time to get up here. So maybe by the time we get into that 1310 through roughly about 1340 macro, this macro I hate trading in altogether. Like I've just learned for the way that I trade, 1150 to 1210, in between 1210 to 110, I'm not a trader. Not at all.
Yeah, I feel like on ES, once we get into the afternoon session, it's probably better to switch back over to NQ.
That doesn't matter to me.
Extra slow.
18298 point of control. I mean, thus far it's been moving pretty well. It's rallied from our entry 30 points. This takes a little bit more time. Point of control is 18298. That makes sense. Where is the volume area high then? I'm assuming the volume area high is at 345-ish, right? That looks like where a lot of volume came in right there. Between 333 and roughly about 370, somewhere around there.
Yeah, it's probably
just a big ass candle right here.
Or you know what, the value area high is probably at
Well, we don't gotta say probably.
It's probably at 349, I would assume, if I had to guess, just because that's where the most volume got transacted.
That's what I said. I said 332 through roughly about 360, 68. I just turned it on. I'm gonna look at it right now. Yep, 375 is the volume area high. The POC on my chart is 353 on the 15-minute.
Man, that was a dirty breakthrough of that level. That was nasty. That 334 level, that was dirty. That was a dirty break. Dirty.
She's a dirty girl.
Oh.
Yeah, so for now, for me, daily fib retest at 303. There's multiple areas to potentially short the market up here. I'm not interested in joining into this rally, right? Like, I think we've already missed the rally, so to speak.
Oh yeah. And we've come back up here. It's been pretty choppy too. It's not like not choppy, but it's been slow.
Very slow. Very, very slow.
Which means this looks more like a relief bounce than anything else. But at the end of the day, I mean, we're overall still in Friday's range though. Like when you really look at it, we're in Friday's range, and overall we're still in Thursday's range, right? Like the high to low from Thursday is really the range. We're in a range within a range. We broke out of the smaller range, but now we're back into that smaller range again. So, I mean, honestly, I don't really expect for the market to be doing too much more today. That's why I think I am done on the day, because I think we could potentially come back up to 342 and reject. And I don't know, maybe we do have another move to the downside, but
I don't like. You may be done. The market ain't done.
Yeah,
Be
well, obviously
patient.
the market's going to continue to trade, but
like,
I'm just
what?
I'm not the biggest fan of the market coming back into this range. Like this is in my opinion, this was a major failure on the Bears to get us to get us out of the range and then to hold out of the range. That's a major failure.
I like that. I like the idea that that's a major failure, but I still think the Bears get another chance to defend.
Oh yeah, no facts.
If they rally this thing all the way back up and then push above the high, then yeah, major failure by the Bears. But right now, this is still in retracement mode.
Yeah, I guess the question becomes, where do the Bears look to defend and then potentially bring price back down? So
hey, we got Johnny 5 in the building. What's going on, brother? He says they bought low, positioning low before the buy tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's a lot of people were saying as well. Like, we got that crazy NVIDIA news, which basically just gave an opportunity for buyers to step in at the lows, right? So yeah, I mean, they could continue to buy. If they continue to buy, I'm just not interested. I'm not gonna. There's no way I'm gonna. The only thing for me to do once we've rallied this far is look to short the market. I'm not gonna long this market. We're way too high. Way too high. Love the thumbnail, brother. Love the thumbnail, the profile edit, man. Missed you guys at church last Sunday, man, but I'll be back next Sunday. I wanted to spend some time with the wifey, and I missed a ridiculous gold trade that day.
We got a perfect inverse head and shoulders on Google. Google looked real nice.
Yeah.
Right back into the all-time high.
I think it definitely gives the opportunity to go short at the high. Because I mean, ultimately, right, if we look at it, right, hold on, let me take some of this crap off my chart. I did not. I like session volume profile, but it just feels like so much clutter. Let me share my screen. I just realized it wasn't being shared anymore. Okay. All right. So if we zoom out and look at the 1 hour, I'm still very much bullish, right? Like there's no question that this was a failure. I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is I don't think we run this high until after we get the news. So if that's the case, then I think it would be more ideal for the Bears to defend one more time and maybe double bottom back down here. This entire rally hasn't had a pullback at all, right? We're stepping into the settlement price, right? It makes sense for us to continue selling down before tomorrow if we're going to push up. In my opinion, I think that they're saving this high for tomorrow's rally, right? That's just the way I'm looking at it. If I'm a bull, right? And vice versa, if I'm a bear, right? They're saving this low. Like, I don't see this low or this high breaking until we get CPI news. Therefore, the only thing for me to do is look to short back into the top of this range, right? So that's how I'm looking.
Yeah, not for you. But it's 12:30. I got an appointment at 2, so I got to start getting ready for that. So I don't know if you are planning on sticking around, but I am ready to go.
You know damn well I ain't trying to stay around. I'm about to go. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the shop. That's 3.5 hours. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Both of us green on the day. Very good day of trading. The only thing that I would take away for myself is hold, baby, hold. I'm getting great entries. I had basically the top of the uptrend 2 days in a row. I had the top of the uptrend. I had the bottom of the downtrend 2 days in a row. Right? The problem isn't my analysis. The problem isn't my entry. My problem right now moving forward is just being able to hold longer. That's me being fully transparent with you guys. I'm having a rough time at holding my trades, right? Mostly because of the volatility of NQ, the volatile nature of the bulls. It makes it really difficult to hold these short trades as well. So those are my thoughts on the day. I think we should probably start doing something like that too, Jay. How'd you do about your how you feel about your trade day?
I mean, I'm in the same boat. I literally had the top of NQ and sold it too soon, and then I had the bottom of ES and sold it too soon. I think one thing that'll help, something that going back through, and something that I really do like is using some of these pre-market levels, maybe not so much to trade off of, but more so structure, right? Like, they have to have multiple taps, right? Like, if we look at this level right here, or let me show real fast. If we look at this level right here, this was a level that Hobbs actually caught out this morning. I think before we got on the stream, And if you look, it was a triple top. We got above it. We came back. This would have been an area to potentially look to take profit, which is kind of what we did. And then if you go down to the lower time frame, once we broke this level, this was where all the volatility started, you know. So even getting a late entry into here, but understanding that, hey, the volume's picking up here. This was a good trade. This is a trade that Hobbs actually ended up taking, right? So good on you for that. But I think it's like just little things like that. And that just comes from market review, right? Like seeing this over and over and over again and spotting these levels and just marking them and saying, hey, you know, this is an area where there was once sellers and now there's buyers trying to defend. But if we get below this, then, you know, sellers may step back in because these are all where all the stops are at, you know? So just little things like that, trying to work on those things, especially during market review, is important. But other than that, I think we both traded really, really well. Just little things to clean up, and it just comes with time. So I'm not too worried about it, but the more we see the ball go in the basket, the easier it is and the more confident you get to hold. So
big facts. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, you guys already know the Apex link discount code. I haven't said it all day, but if you want my Apex link, my code is scrolling across the stream all throughout the live stream. And if you want Justin's discount code to support either one of us, just watch any of the videos that are on the channel and his discount code will be in the description down there. So like I said, that guy over there, got it right this time. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. This is the Trader Shop, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.